Good afternoon, team. Welcome to JTraedz TV, where we discuss our stock-related content and much more. Shout out to my traders who was with me this morning, guys, who caught that nice sell-off and the bounce, guys. So the levels that I caught out this morning in Discord, and we'll go over the pre-market prep as well. This morning, we waited for that pullback underneath that 52.41. And I know right now we're starting to pull back already. Starting to pull back already. Let me try to go to it. Let me go to it real quick. Where's it at? That was my pre-market prep at. Pre-market prep right here. Got it. All right. So this morning, guys, as I mentioned, we got that break above that 752.41. Then we can see that push up towards the 53.35 levels and so forth. On the downside, we came right back underneath that came back underneath 753.35 for that pullback down to what? 752.41. 752.41 on down to 751.31. 751.31 down to 749.54. 759.34 and almost, well, we was about close to it, but I know we didn't hit it. The next level I had was down towards 48.10, but we wind up holding right. We basically wind up getting right back on top of that 49.54. But from what level I got in at? I caught that drop right here. So I waited for that green candle to push up, caught that resistance, then rolled that bad boy on down. So shout out to my team who caught that with me on this one. And shout out to the team who jumped in with me for the bounce back to the upside, back up towards that 750 level. So that was a good play this morning, guys. And like I said, I think they're trying to prep themselves up for what's up, team? What's up, boss man? We killed it this morning. We killed it on the downside and the bounce. We caught that drop from all the way to towards that area of 752.41s, all the way down towards my target area, one of my areas of 49.54. And I can show y'all the proof. I did have that price point right here. On the short side, once we cracked underneath these two specific levels, 753.35 and 752.41. What did we hit, guys? Underneath that 751.31 down to where? 749.54. So I did alert everybody this morning who are basically the members that is on the LX Traders membership. I did alert all the key levels. What did we go down to? 749.54. Right back on up. Bow. So good call. Good trade on that who jumped in with me. Shout out to my traders who caught Tesla too. Tesla was also another good one this morning. You had PLTR went on a nice run this morning. I mean, still running. Look at this. Look at PLTR. PLTR still gunning. Look at this. Still gunning. Still gunning for the upside. Tesla, I know we called out. Let's see. Started off with a drop underneath what was that 4.5-ish area. Started going on that drop. I think hard went and caught the bounce back up to the upside right around that close towards that 400 level. Then we got that drop right back on down. But yeah, man, shout out to those who did catch SPY drop with me and SPY's bounce back up with me. And as I told you, Nadia too, because I know she's gonna be on here. Aussie, Jenna, and Champ. Remember I told you guys to watch that bottom right here? What did you bounce? Boom, bottom's held for that push right back up to the upside. As I told you, watch, 9 times out of 10 we was gonna be in a bottom range. So right after this nice sell-off, now you're in the bottom range. Buys are trying to hold back up. We need to get back above that 750.30 level for that possible push right back up. And I'll put an alert at 751.31 would be the next level up if those buyers have it. So 751.31. And keep in mind, guys, we have CPI data coming out tomorrow. CPI data tomorrow. So of course we're gonna have some volatility for sure tomorrow. But that drop to the downside was a beautiful play. Oh, man. Aussie, no problem at all. I was glad that y'all got to understand the setups, the breakdowns from the pullbacks, and the breakdowns to the bounces on back on up. So, I mean, we was calling them out level for level. I mean, we caught it right out this range, and then caught that drop, boom, all the way down to these areas. So, I mean, we was on point with it. We called it out. That was beautiful. Beautiful play. I'm glad that y'all was a part of the trade. And I did say I was gonna keep my eyes peeled on SpaceX. I'm still keeping my eyes peeled on SpaceX. That's still a part of my agenda for the bounce, for a strong bounce in due time. Meta's one of my babies too. How we looking like on Meta? Where's Meta at right now? Meta, are we still above 660? Yeah, Meta's still going sideways. I still think Meta has a lot of room to the upside, back up towards those highs. Cause like I said, if we get a push from 660 up to 670, guys, that's $10. Up towards 75, that's $15. So definitely keep your eyes peeled on Meta. We're gonna get above 65 for that possible push up to 70. So even if you miss the 60, we get that break above 65, you can still ride it from 65 to 7. It's still $5 up. So still a $5 move. Didn't trade today. Was why. Oh, okay. Yeah, today was like I said, today was a beautiful trade. I mean, definitely a beautiful trade. Definitely a beautiful trade. That was a beautiful. I ain't gonna lie. One I'm still kicking myself on, I ain't gonna lie, was that damn swing trade from Friday. Oh, I wish I would have caught that swing trade on Friday. But it's like they held it all the way to the market. Let me tell you what they slick selves did. Because I guess they were trying to make so many not traders, but shorts paranoid. I seen the setup coming, but they waited towards the end of the market from 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock. Then that's when they want to drop it on down. And I was anticipating to going in for a put. Anticipating going for a put. But the fact is they kept holding towards the market close. I didn't know if they were trying to hold it to squeeze it up. But they wound up holding right underneath that 55.44 and then wound up dropping on down. Now, Jay, how did you come out with 55.44? Based off a pass. If we go back a little bit this way, where was that level at? 55.44. We had a drop in a pass over here, guys. Right here. That was a pass level, 55.44. So I knew it was going to be between either of those two price points on the downside for rejection. So we did go up as high as Friday. They got it right here. See, that's what made me paranoid because I didn't know it was going to hold it. But then they wound up dropping it underneath 55.54. Well, I could have banked on that one. So I was like, they had to hold it towards the end. So it's like I didn't know what it was going to do. I didn't know what type of news was going to be released over the weekend. I didn't know. So I will be waiting for the possible next setup if we do get back up towards the upside. So at this time, I will be focusing towards the downside for a bounce, yeah. Because we're more towards the bottom areas of a demand zone, guys. So we're more towards the 49.54s down to the 48.10s. So we got more of a possible bounce back up, versus a straight sell-off. Because I want to see if those buyers are going to try to hold or maintain right in between these areas. Now, the reason why I have the 48.10s and I have the 49.54s is because those are past areas as well on the they used to be resistance. So we take this area here. What was it at? Right here. That was Monday's. I think it was Monday if I'm not mistaken. Monday's level right here. When we ran up, got rejected, came back on down. Then you had the secondary level, 52.41. So that's why I have those levels on the downside. Lord, I'm looking at the wrong damn thing. 59.54 to 48 is this way. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Because I got to move everything all over. Yeah, right here. Right here. Sorry about that, guys. 48.10 was one. And 49.54 was this level here. And you kind of see it tested more than once. So you can see that held up as resistance twice. So now that we are above it, I want to see if this level is going to be a bear trap. Like if we do get a pullback down, if those buyers are going to hold this level now this way for a possible bounce back up that way. So that's what I'm trying to anticipate now. Now that we had this flush to the downside to see if this more going to be more so in a demand zone now than now when I'm going to go for a put once we start to get back up towards these highs this way. But we are more towards a demand zone where buyers could be stepping up and trying to come in for a possible red to green going into tomorrow. So I want to see on how they're going to end up today. So right now we still got this pullback. We still got room to fall down to 48.10. So I might try to go for a quick scalp. I ain't gonna lie to you. I might try to play the scalping because I know right now we're in a range. I know it's a lot of choppiness. But if we get back underneath that 49.54, I will try to play it back down to 48.10. So, I mean, right now it's another top out right here. Same price, pull back, same price, pull back. So it looks like sellers are coming in, trying to go underneath that 49.54. Target area is down towards 48.10. That's going to be one of the targets on the downside. So 48.10. I mean, if I can catch it, I'll catch it. I mean, we did it earlier. We killed it this morning. So if we can see on how this is going to play out of this range right here. So we are still pointing down, second red candle. So that's why I'm watching this floor to see can we crack it, get underneath that price point. Yeah, it was a lot of choppiness right there. I mean, should have caught these tops up here, but it's all right. Let's see, guys. Look like candle number 2, red candle number 2. Red candle number 2 in full effect. Look like we're about to crack this zone. Like I said, we can crack this. We have a lot of room to fall back down towards that 48. Now, again, why do I have 48.10? That was an old bounce zone. We had, I think, right here. Had that strong pullback. And look right here. So, you don't think that buyers may try to utilize the same exact level that caused them to, push back to the upside? So, that's why I'm anticipating that we're going to crack that 49 level down to that 48 soon. That's what I'm thinking. We're going to go for another sell-off right this way. That's what I'm anticipating. So, I want this candle to close underneath. Then third candle should turn this bad boy into resistance. Then we should get that further flush back that way. That's what I'm anticipating to see what's going to happen. So, I mean, we caught all of this from this morning. The 5240s, caught that one down. Boom. Right to that 51, 30, 31. Waiting for that next trap. Boom. On down towards the 49.54s. So, that was a beautiful play. Beautiful play. So, the question is, can we get this continuation sell-up all the way down to this 48.10? That's the $1 million question once it comes out of this range. So, that's what I'm anticipating. Let's see. I mean, I could have caught some quick scalps up here. I mean, I could have definitely caught some scalps. But it was, I mean, it just, man, when you swapping back and forth from one contract to the next, it just becomes a headache. So I was like going from puts to calls to puts. I was like, it was too much. So let's see how we looking. I mean, you got Meta still holding. Meta can still, like I said, I still think Meta can bounce. From the 660s back up to like the 665s. And then from that price point on up towards that 670 to 675. I mean, the way it look like it's setting up. I mean, it look like it's setting up to get that push above 65. Definitely keep that on watch. I'll put an alert. And we want that push up to 670 because that'd be $5 up. So if you haven't traded so far. So 665 is going to be alert number 1 on Meta for sure. Like, what other stocks you guys are looking at? What other stocks? Because right now, look at this. See? Still holding these bottoms right here. So we're still in this range of SPY. So we got this little lower range. So we haven't got the complete breakout, nor have we got that complete crack. So we're still in this chop zone still right here. So I'm going to have 2 specific alerts on Meta to see. Can we get our way back up towards 675, I'm sorry, 675. Keep that on watch. All right, guys, keep it on watch. So I got 2 alerts for Meta on the upside if we can get that break above, back above that price point. But if we can't get that 65 break, do expect that pull back down towards these low areas of 55s down to the 52s. But we need that breakout above 65 for sure. SPY, we need to get above this 7, 50, 30, around the 30 and 50 area. Around right here. We need that breakout in order to get that push back up towards that 51, 31. So, because we need to get out of this range, come out of the range. Meta's still looking good, though. Man, but PLTR, let me see what PLTR. Are we pulling back on that one? Oh, yeah, PLTR started to now pull back all of a sudden. But, I mean, but PLTR was a good run this morning. PLTR definitely a good, pullback bounce. Definitely had a good run on that one. We get back above 130. I mean, you could definitely get a continuation push to the upside on PLTR. Let me see. Are we overbought on that one on PLTR? Because SPY, we still not into the overbought area just yet. That's what I'm thinking. If we get this crack on down this way, that should put us in the oversold area. So that means that we could be seeing 48 down to 46 right off this trend line. So they could. I mean, they could sit down for a trend line bounce. Set up a possible strong red to green move coming up soon. It's a possibility because, I mean, you got the majority of all red candles for the, basically off your 1 hour time frame out, and no green candles yet. It's all red, so you already know they're pulling to a specific target. Anytime you see consecutive red candles or green candles, they're either pulling up or pushing up or pulling down to a specific price target. And the reason why I called out 48 because you're going back down to last Friday's low of day, which that could act like a possible double bottom. Once they test it down this way. So that's why I'm trying to keep my eyes peeled to see what that game plan is for the second half of the market. So, PLTR I need to check out too to see if that bad boy is overbought. Where we at right now, PLTR? Yeah, you hit the overbought area right around 130. Got that pull back down. But if they can hold around this 127, I mean, they could. I mean, let me see. Because it looks like they could be setting up for a possible reversal. Almost like a U-shaped pattern back up this way. Get back above 130 when I can definitely get this move back up. Because they are bouncing off the 200-day moving average. Let me see. Do I see an uptrend on this bad boy? Let me see. Yeah, I can see an uptrend. Take this one, this little trend line, and move it down this way. and fix it over that way. I can definitely see an uptrend building on that one. Highs all the way back up towards 138, 140. So, I mean, they could be. As long as they hold 200-day moving average and go for that push back to this to the upside, I can see a U-shaped pattern on PLTR. I can definitely see that setup. All right, here we go, guys. We talked about SPY for that possible crack underneath this 49.50. If we can get this crack, we got room to fall all the way down towards the 48.50s, down to 48 to my targeted area. So, can we get it? Can we get this little dump on down? We need a nice candle close this way. So, let's see what we get, guys. And ladies and gentlemen, let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. Man, they got any good movies that came out? Like, any good movies coming out? I was trying to find something, man. It just seemed like the same that repetitive thing. I know that Moana came out. I know we got some mixed reviews on that one. I know that one got mixed reviews. Still in this range. See, the bottom is still holding, guys. So we want that nice red candle. We want that nice. Matter of fact, let me see what VIX doing. See if they can give us a clear sign what it's trying to do. Well, see, VIX is still holding on the uptrend. So, VIX is still holding an uptrend. Break above that 1680 up to a 17. So it could be setting up for a drop coming. Let me go to VIX real quick. VIX. Yeah, right around the 17. So where are your main like 1750, and then from that area, I mean, you got these highs all the way back up towards 18. It's not overbought yet, so it's still got room to still push, while SPY has room to still drop. Let's see what we get, guys. Let's see. Because this chop zone, see, this is zone I avoid. Unless I'm getting, the overall tops or the overall bottoms, I'm not touching these middles. I'm not touching the middles. Oh, man, my head go my back starting to act up again. Here we go. Here we go. Starting to feel that crap on my back again. I hope that crap ain't coming back again. Oh. So I'm trying to drink as much water as I can. No. I ain't going back through that pain again. Hell to the no. Yo, Paul, what's up, my G? Shout out to Paul Champ. Y'all give him a follow. You can show him some love on Twitch. That's Mr. Paul Champ, guys. PAWGCHAMP. Who's a PIMP. Nah, I'm messing with you. I had to make it rhyme, man. Come on, man. Don't judge me. I had to make it rhyme real quick. Don't you dare judge me. All right, let's see, guys. Look like we're still getting weak. I'm trying to see which, because I want to drop on this price point, because I want that 48.10. So we go back up. I want to be, they're going to set up for like a third touch. My dad gets it when he drinks too much. Oh, man. I think because I drink a lot. Well, I drink a lot of coffee, and it could be that dairy I'm putting in. So I think it's that too. So that's why I had to cut back. That's why I had to stop drinking coffee immediately and start getting right back on my water. Because I started feeling it. I was like, I started feeling it. I was like, no. Not going through that again. So I put a halt to it immediately. So, Paul, what you think SPY's going to do, boss? You think we're going to get that pull back down to that 48.10? What you think? I mean, I wouldn't mind it. I mean, it's a good, decent area. I mean, I'll quickly play a scalp back down to that bad boy. I'm trying to see what we're about to do. Let me see what we're about to do. So right now we're still bouncing off these bottoms, but I want to see that nice pullback underneath that. Give me that nice clear confirmation. I want that strong sell off right through this bad boy, underneath that 49.50ish area. That confirmation, because I want to catch that scalp, but I know I got to be careful because I know we're getting close and close towards those bottoms. I got to be very careful because, I mean, you're playing with fire, you're getting close and closer because we don't know those bodies going to come in aggressive and bouncing. Hey, son, shout out to my son, guys. That is my son, my biological son, Jace Sushi. He is an extraordinary coder, gamer, designer. Shout out to him. which I know many more doors going to open up for him. So shout out to your son. So proud of you. Love you. Stay doing what you're doing, man. Nadia, where you been, my queen? I was waiting on you. And I keep... Oh, man. Also, man, you already know Boss Love. You already know, man. Nadia, cause man, I want you to get to that community, man. Did you talk to Hardware? Cause that's where we was at this morning. It's like we all in that group, man. I want you to be a part of it, cause I don't want you missing out like early in the morning, man. Cause when I'm not into my Discord, I'm in on the other community, and I thought the Hardware got you in on that community. Oh no, we caught it. We caught and you can ask everybody in that Discord, Queen. We called out the 752.41s, 751.31s, 750.30s, down to our targeted area right around 750. Nah, I mean, we caught them all to a T, and we caught the bounces back up. Caught the bounces right over 49.50, 49.50, 49. So, I mean, we played it to a T. We killed it. Yeah, we killed it this morning. We murdered that crowd left and right. Come on, Candle. Come on, baby. Oh, okay. I'm gonna do what I can. Let me see. I'm gonna try to do what I can. Like I said, I'm gonna see how. I'm gonna try to help out the best that I can. I'm gonna try to help contribute to her, to help her get into the community. Cause she always looked out for me, so I'm gonna do what I can. I forgot about that point. I forgot about that. I'll help out. But yeah, I mean, that's where we be at though, Nadia. Like in the morning, like me, Aussie, all of us. I mean, we all be in that community. I mean, they be on point too with their calls. But I definitely was calling out this morning. I was calling out every level that I put on that pre-market prep, and also that's why I put out the pre-market prep too, Nadia. Like even though you're not in that community yet with us, that's why I put out the pre-market prep. So like I said, if you go back to the pre-market prep, I posted this morning, right here. I called them all out, right here, Queen. Yeah, I mean, I know, and I'm gonna do what I can to help out and try to create something to help. So I'm gonna definitely pitch in to create something. No, I got you, Queen. So yeah, look right here. I called out from the long side targets. I called out from the low side. So once we start to get that crack underneath that 752.41. That's when I played it down here. And I played every level off that I posted. So look at this. 752.41. Bam. Down to where next? 751.31. Bam. Then the next level. 749.54. Bam. Played it to a T. Now, I'm still anticipating we're going to see hit that 48.10 though. I got it right here. 48.10. I still got that locked in. So I still got it on my radar. That we're going to hit every price point that I got in. So it look like we may be setting up. Could this be the candle? Could this be it? Could this finally be it that I can try to catch? I'm trying, guys. Because I already made all my trades earlier. So, and I don't want to give nothing back. But if I can catch this one on down, I'm going to do it. I'll try to do it. I'll wait for the next candle, though. What we got left on this candle? About 30 seconds. Catch that next candle that comes in. Let me see how we're going to set up on this one. Because I got to be careful right here. I gotta gotta see how we're gonna close out. I gotta be very, very careful. Because the way I was catching the shorts was when we ran up, I was catching the tops. But see right here, I do not like to play puts at the bottoms. I wait for tops. That's the smartest. It's have no money to trade. No. I mean nobody. No. I mean we all make mistakes, Nadia. Well, that's why we're gonna help you through it. We're gonna help you through it, Queen. So and damn, you don't have nothing to trade. Shit, I was gonna try to help you out. I was gonna try to help you gain back money today. See right here, we're starting to get that slow. Yeah, watch this area, guys. Be careful. I know we're still going up on VIX. We're pulling back. Because I hate chasing red candles. Especially if I know I'm going for the opposite direction. I like to wait for green candles for bull traps or something. Because that's what I did earlier. So when I went for my first trade, I did this. Like when I missed this first pullback right here, I waited for the green candles to step in off of 51. I waited for these tops, caught that top, bow. So I like to wait for traps. I like to wait for some type of trap. And once I get a clear sign of the direction, that's when I like to attack it. Like that's the smartest. Like that's what I do. And even on when it come down to the long side, I wait for red candles to play out and I count my candles to a certain specific target. And you can see right here. What did we get back on top of? Right on top of that 54. Boom. Just gotta know how to read them. Know how to read your charts. Apple. What you said? 314. Apple 314. Where's my Apple at? Oh, I see it. Apple. Yeah, see, you dropped. I mean, you should have caught these tops up here underneath the 320s. Yeah, like anytime you see a setup like this, wait for those green candle setups. Then you catch your tops, pull it back. Green candle setups, catch those tops, pull them back. See, right here, you're kind of more in consolidation right now. So be careful with that. I mean, the only thing I can say is based off the top of 318 right now, because that's the area that shows some type of sign of rejection right here. I would say, because you can see right here, ran up towards 318, pull back. I would say at least wait for a push back up if you're going short. Wait for that 318-ish area, then short it on down. I would not be trying to go for a short at these bottoms because that could be a bounce, which you have bounced off that area before, 316 bounce. So right now you are in a range of 315.50 up to 318. Right here, I'll be careful trying to go for puts at the bottoms. If anything, wait for the push back up to the tops, then catch them on down. Yeah, don't never put yourself right into a trap. Same thing at these bottoms. Why you think I ain't going for a put yet? These bottoms, I'm not. Why you think I ain't jumping on a put? I ain't chasing these bottoms on a put. Hell no. To get caught in a trap? Negative. No. Dump. NVIDIA. Where we at? Where we fell from? Oh yeah. I mean that's just special right here. Underneath 208. Back on down. Underneath 206. Back on down, now to the 204s. If this sell-off continues, we need to crack underneath this 203.50. Back down to the 202s. I mean, yeah, that one has a steady pullback. Steady pullback. Yeah, how low could NVIDIA go? What's the lows on that one? NVIDIA real quick is... oh, yeah. Still got a lot of room to fall. Look at these bottoms all the way back down towards 202s. Look where you look. All right, so look, do this. Yep. Damn, I already had the lines in place. Damn, that's tight. Already had the lines in motion. So, yep, right around the 302.49, and then you have the true bottoms all the way back down towards like 201. So that means we could, if we crack 302. I keep saying threes. God dang it. See, when I watch too many charts. 203.50s back down to these old key levels back down this way, which should bring you back down to the 202s. I mean, because you still got a lot of room to fall on NVIDIA. You still got a lot of room to fall. So once this area cracks, look how much room you still got to fall. You got that down to the 201s. And then look right here. Because, I mean, look how much room you have to fall back down to the trend line. So you got a lot of room to still fall. So once you crack that 203, yep, still got a lot of room to still pull on that bad boy. SPY got to stop playing with me with this foreplay with this damn price point. So I haven't jumped in on it yet because it's still in this damn consolidation. That's why I told you guys, be mindful that we could see consolidation right in this area. A lot of back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. So, but I told you this area was going to be an area that's going to be a floor, Nadia. And Aussie in general. Remember I told you guys, watch this floor. Because remember I told you that's what the buyers needed after the drop, which is going to be around that 749.50 area right here. So I told you, watch that floor. Watch that floor, because it could be because we're getting closer to a strong demand zone. So I'll be very careful chasing in puts right in this area right here coming up. I'll be very, very careful. Very, very careful. See, look at this zone. Look at this choppiness. Look, chop back and forth. Chop, 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 chop. So now we get a breakout. I'll play the upside. Back up towards some strong resistance. I'll do that. If we drop, I'll look for a possible bounce. But chop zone, negative. I'm not doing that. Apple above 316 to 320. Wait, what? I thought we just went over Apple. Well, no. See, Apple's still in the range. So Apple's still in a downtrend. I mean, look at it. Look how weak that candle. I mean, look how weak it is. So we still fall. We may fall back underneath 316, possibly. I mean, if it holds, cool. Then the next level is right here. Look where you got rejected at, Nadia. Right here. about 370. You might as well round it off 318. 318, and then you have to take out this little level, and then VWAP, and then back on up. So you got a few levels to that Apple needs to accomplish. You need to get back above the level here. Then you need to get above this high level, like right here, right where the VWAP is, roughly around 320, and we'll find our way back up towards those highs. But the way this is looking, it's still looking downtrendish. Still looking weak right now. Because what would need to happen, we need to see a strong U-shaped pattern back up. But right now, this is just definitely weakness at this moment. It's definitely weak. Look at SPY, testing that same area again, still looking a little weak on that note too. Because I want to attack this shit so bad. I just don't want to give back none of my gains that I got this morning. I don't want to give back nothing. I want to make sure I get in the right spot. I mean, it's kind of too early to still kind of put this downtrend in. Still think it's a little too early to put that downtrend on Apple right now. Because I have to wait for it to get back up like around 318 or something. Because me putting it right here is too steep. That can easily break that. So I need to put it around an area that we need to test, which is 318. Because that'll be your second point up. SPY, we're still watching this range. It's still going sideways. I still want to see that 48.10. I'm still aiming for that 48.10. So the only way I can play this, I would need to see a breakout first. Because I want to get out of this area. I would need to see a breakout at least towards that 750, 751.31, and then a pullback down. I mean, I can see that. But if they just start going in immediately, I might have to go snakeskin Randy on it. But I need that candle. I need that flush candle. I need that flush candle. Because if they keep holding this is just number traps. Because look how many shorts keep getting in, and they get pushed out. Get in, pushed out. Get in, pushed out. See that? That's a trap right here. Same vice versa on the long side right here. Get in on a long, pull back, long, pull back. See what I mean? You caught in this range. I'm not trying to jump into a consolidated area. Hell to the no. So I need either an engulfing candle, or they go for a push up into resistance. One of the two. Somewhere out of this damn range that I'm not touching. What else we got? How we looking on SpaceX? Honestly, I'm still waiting on SpaceX, Queen. We still looking like we're going to drop to that area we talked about. I'm still waiting on SpaceX lows. I still have a feeling we're going to see that 135. I'm just going to be 110% on this, Aussie. I still think we're aiming for that 135 that we talked about last week. I'm just waiting on it. I still think we're going to dump the 135. SPY, still think we're going to see that 148. So, those respectful levels in due time. I still think they're coming. I think SPY's going to let this area go and it's going to drop that away. Same thing with SpaceX. I still think it's going to drop towards 135. So here we go. More sellers are stepping in. Coming in more aggressive, right? CMB. But notice the same spot plays repeats over and over and over. Yeah, I'm still waiting on it because right now we're at what, 137? And look at SPY. SPY's getting ready to drop again. Still thinking there. SPY's aiming for that 148.10. I still think SpaceX is aiming because everybody was calling me. No, matter of fact, let me say that. Y'all was calling me crazy last week. When I told y'all what SpaceX could drop in, everybody was calling me crazy. When we was in the high areas. And I know you was calling me crazy too, Naughty. I know you was calling me crazy right along with, y'all was probably making fun of me, you and AK-47. Man, that boy crazy. It ain't dropping to no damn 135. Which I got to say now, though. Which I got to say now. Uh-huh. We was in a what, 150? Yes, when we was in this range here. We was in this area. And I said, remember, obviously I told you this. I said, we crack out of this range. What was going to be that next set of lows, right? Who crazy now? I said, if that 146 wasn't going to hold, I said 9 times out of 10, what was going to be your next set of lows? I bet y'all ain't calling me crazy now. Bet y'all ain't calling me crazy now on that. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Who's crazy now? Who's the crazy one? And there goes SPY. There go that candle close. Stay underneath, stay underneath, stay underneath. I hate when... Let me see. Where we at? What we got left on this candle? We just opened up this candle. I hate when it's set up kind of like this. I hate that. Because it's going to be back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Like, I'm so used to how the way they close out, I already know kind of like what the next candle going to do. I hate that crap. It's gonna be back and forth right here. Just gonna drive me nuts. Unless those sellers come in mad aggressive and yank the living life out of them. See. So I've been watching SpaceX. I could have caught that short. I could have caught that short for sure. Could have definitely caught that short on that one. Nah, no. Honestly, I'm messing with you, Queen. I'm messing with you. It's a joke. It was a joke. I was joking. I was joking. I know. I was joking. So, second red candle down, right underneath, 49.54. God dang it. Ah. I was trying to time this damn thing. Oh, because like I told you, I still think that's aiming for 48.10. Same thing what I think with SpaceX. I still think we're aiming for 31.35. Yeah, like this little area is hard, so it's so hard to time it. That's why you got to catch the actual tops. Oh, man. Trying to time this is a pain. I should have just went snake skin right at the tops. I should have just caught the tops. Would have had an entry just sitting there too, riding this damn thing back down, kind of like I did earlier. Cause the hardest part is trying to catch the middle of it. That's the hardest part. It's like the riskiest part. Trying to catch the middle to a target. See what I mean? When you're trying to, instead of catching all the way to the top area, it's like trying to catch the mid area is a pain in the ass. So I'm gonna have to time this very perfectly. I'm gonna have to time this for the third candle. I'm gonna have to time it perfect. If I can catch it, cool. This part right here is the worst part. Because it's gonna be a lot of back and forth. It's gonna be a lot of back and forth. It's like a magnet. This little area gonna act like a damn magnet. See what I mean? Back up. See? That's why I was like catching that middle area. Like, it's like. Yeah, now y'all see what I mean? Why I don't chase right here? These bottoms. Now you see what I mean? Look at all that back and forth. So it's gonna be a headache if you're not catching the absolute tops. Like trying to get in that middle area. It's a headache. Now don't get me wrong. They can still set up a trap. You know, like a bull trap. It's just you just gotta have the patience to hold within it. You gotta have the patience to hold within this little area for a drop. Now we pulling. Come on, candle. Wait for this candle to close. Cause I'm gonna have to go on. I'm gonna have to probably go on that third one. I'm gonna have to go on it because I mean this one is successfully closing underneath. Cause I don't want to keep waiting to ride it all the way down. So I'm gonna wait on this next candle to come in. I'm gonna try to see if I can catch that third candle in. Hopefully it don't drop immediately as soon as it get here. What time it is? 2 o'clock about to be approaching. Oh shit, yeah. Then I'm getting close to 2 o'clock. Crap. So it's gonna be a challenge. Cause I got 5 minutes to 2 o'clock. Oh, little time. What's up, boss? I know, man. I should have caught the tops, but I ain't gonna lie. I still gotta work on that. I still gotta work on judging these tops. Like I know how to nail these, but it's that range. I'm still working on like nailing. I still gotta work on nailing these tops right here in the range. That's the only thing I gotta work on. But like when we're something like this, I know how to nail this damn near perfect to a T. It just this chop zone I hate. I gotta nail it. I mean, at least I'm being honest. I'm being honest. That's why I'm letting you know, guys. I'm not perfect. You know, like again, these areas like here, I can catch these like to a T, and these to a T. But it's that damn chop zone that just I gotta time this perfect. Yeah, man, guys, I'm thinking I'm starting to feel like pain again, man. I think I'm starting to feel this crap again. God, please don't let this happen again. Please don't. See, 1, 2, 3 candles down. Oh shit! Look, the red one. I'm in the red one. I hate this spot right here. I hate this spot. It's not no freaking person. Man, at least give me like a fake out. At least give me a bounce back up and then catch. Come on. Give me a fake. There we go. Come on. Give me a fake bounce so I can feel better. Give me a fake push back up. I'd rather that. I'd rather fake push back up and then a trap. Come on, come on. Yeah, that's why I say I hate this area right here. Oh man, they ain't give me the push back up. God dang it, that's why I say trying to time this part right here's a pain in my ass. And they're gonna pull back. God. Yeah, like trying to judge it right in this little area. I hate that crap. I should just jumped in though. I should just jumped in. I was waiting on candle number 3, but I thought we was gonna push back up. But because like I said, I know what my target is. It's just trying to catch this entry. Trying to catch this entry. It's like you still got SpaceX still falling. We're about $2 away from that target. Spy's not too far. Come on, man. I can't get a green candle out of y'all. Like one green candle. A trap candle, please. Yeah, see? See what I mean? See what I mean? See? Now they're going to probably do it before 2 o'clock. What time it is? Got 3 minutes till 2. That's why I told y'all this part right here is a headache, man. It's back and forth, back and forth. That's why I say these areas, like, this is the dangerous area. It's tricky. It's like a coin flipping out on that one. I ain't gonna lie. I should have just caught these. I should have just caught this. I should have caught this. That's what I should have did. Because I started getting more paranoid. Because the closer and closer we got to these bottoms, you know, that could act as a support line. I mean, that's why I was kind of just, I'm like, I know there's only so much I can keep chasing on the downside before that reversal kicks in. I was just kind of paranoid. And they pulling. Freak, man. I might have to just wait till 2 for that 2 o'clock candle to see can we get a quick spike up and then a drop. Let me see what we get at 2. I want to see can we get like a little fake out, like breakout, and then pull back down. That's what I want to see. I want to try to catch that next trap. Because this little area is going to be too much back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. I hate this area. Because how many candles we got? 1, 2, 3. So let me see. Well, we are underneath this area. Because that's what I'm trying to be very careful right here. You see where we bounced at right here? That's what I'm trying to see if they're not trying to play off of any of these areas, like right in this little zone. What time we got? 1 minute. Going into 2 o'clock. Like I said, I wouldn't mind a bounce back up though. That's why I want to see can we get a 2 o'clock bounce real quick. Look, quick 2 o'clock bounce. I mean, they pull it. They pull. I mean, I'm not tripping because I already caught all the move up here. That's why I said I'm not sweating. I mean, I'm not sweating that. But if they just continue on down, I mean, it is what it is. The only thing I can do is set up for a possible, you know, bounce opportunity. Then if they pull it, they pull it. Ain't nothing I can do about it. What time it is? Got 10 seconds. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. So we're still pulling third candle. 2 o'clock, guys, right? About now. All right, 2 o'clock candle. I want to see can we get like a 2 o'clock. See, that's what I want. Can we get a 2 o'clock push real quick before the drop? Can we get a little fake out? Can we get a quick little push to the upside? That's what I want. Come on. Give me a little fake squeeze. Give me a little push. There we go. See what I was trying to wait on? See? See? See what I was trying to wait on? To avoid a trap? Come on. Come on. Come on. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Because I know you want to squeeze higher than this. I know you do. I know you want to go higher than this. Come on. Keep going. That's why I was waiting on 2 o'clock. I was waiting on that 2 o'clock push. See what I mean? I was waiting on that 2 o'clock push to kick in. There you go, your 2 o'clock push. All right. Come on. Where are you going to stop at? Where you going to close at? Come on, come on, come on, come on. Now y'all see why I don't chase bottoms? So I said I don't chase bottoms. I wait for a push, back up. Wait for a push, right back up. See, think about how many people that was chasing on the short side that just got squeezed up at 2 o'clock. See? So I got to avoid traps. Avoid those short squeezes. Being patient, guys. I'm just being patient. I'm being patient. I'm being patient. I just want to see where this candle gonna close. And we're gonna close back underneath, or we're gonna stay like back in this range again. If we close underneath, I mean that's a good sign. Clear sign we about to drop even lower. Still got SpaceX looking like it still want to fall back underneath 31. You see? Look at me. Look how many shorts are still getting squeezed right now. That's why I waited. That's why I said I was going to wait till 2 o'clock to see if we get some 2 o'clock volume in. There you go. 2 o'clock squeeze. That's why I say you got to pay close attention to details. Look very, very carefully on that. We got to look for this candle. 3 minutes. Come on. See how them sellers, see how the sellers are trying to trap them now? Put them underneath. See how they slowly trying to trap them. Got a huge upper shadow. Trying to pull them right back underneath, trying to trap them now. Yeah, that chop zone, yeah, those entries be a little bit tougher. I ain't gonna lie, it'd be a little bit tougher. That's why I don't get in the middle of it. That's why I don't try to get in this little middle zone. Like, nah. So I have a question. Are you bearish with CPI tomorrow? No, I mean, I'm not trying to stay in it. Hell no. See, because I already know what they do before CPI data. So that's why I'm trying to play the downside. So if you didn't know, what they like to do the day before CPI data comes out, they like to bring it down. So that's why I ride it down. Because I know they're trying to go to a targeted area. Now, once that area is hit, then they try to go back up. But I already knew what they was going to do the day before. I kind of expected they was going to pull back. So that's why I'm just trying to enjoy the pullback. But, you know, it's only so much I'm going to keep doing because I know sooner or later those buys going to step in. That's why I'm being very cautious right here. Because I know it's only so much pulling back is going to do before they try to rip it back up. That's why I'm being very careful right here. But I'm anticipating a pullback. Don't get me wrong. Yeah. So, like I said, the day before, they always pull back down. They go for a hard pull. Because they get into a low bargaining area where they can buy back up and then push it to the upside. So that's why I kind of had a feeling today was coming for like a short, like a pullback moment. Because they always do that right before the day, but right before the CPI data. Like if it's up high somewhere, they'll like to drop it low, and then hold it. Then like hold like a certain level, then reverse it. But I was thinking that they're going to try to pull back down to that 48.10 because that'll be a reasonable area because if we go back a little bit, that's where you had that strong bounce at when Donald Trump made that announcement and we had that strong sell-off right down to 48.10. Then you had that strong bounce right back on up. So that's what I'm anticipating to see if they're going to try to test 48.10 again. Because you're not too far from it. You're not too far from that 48.10. Yeah, so I'm thinking in due time they're going to do it. You know, if they don't go for a strong bounce back, off of this 49 level, if they go for a strong bounce, move back on up, I'm expecting them to come down like one more time and then do it. But I know somewhere in this area they're going to try to do it. It's somewhere in this area where the buy's going to step in aggressive. I mean, it makes sense. 48.10 went on a strong push. But what worries me is the horrendous weakness. Yeah. That's why I'm not. That's why I look into my 1 hour time frame. So I go into the 1 hour. I still think SpaceX is aiming for that 135. I still believe that in my heart of hearts that bad boy is aiming for these bottoms. Because, I mean, think about it, guys. I called this out since Friday when we was up here saying it was going to fall down close to the 135. So, think about it. But let me go to SPY. SPY. See, we got that bear flag setting up. Look at that. That one green candle for that next leg down this way towards that trend line. See, I think they're going to set, this is a setup. They're going to set up a bull trap. Even off the 1 hour time frame. See, they're going to get that one green candle up, but they're going to trap them. And then they're going to reverse it for, because you already got one leg down already. Tariq, look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4 candles down. Right here's the consolidated area. So once they do that, because you already know how two-legged pullback work. You get one leg, consolidation, and then they go for even a harder leg down. You should know the routine of that. They working on a possible two-legged pullback setup. So that's what I'm gearing up for. That's why I want that next pullback down to occur. So where's my whatchamacallit? Not Zoom. Where's my oh, there you go. So what I'm expecting is this. Come on, Windows. I thought it. Alright, we already got one leg down. I'm expecting a little bit of consolidation. And then that next leg down, like something like this, where they're going to try to buy back up. Try to go for a hard bounce off that trend line. See, that's what I'm expecting them to do. Something like that. So after this candle plays out, they're going to go for another pullback down this way. Because again, that's a bear trap. I mean, this is a bear flag. Look at this. God, if you put all your candles together, if I was to go to a 4 hour time frame, let me see. Let me see how it looks on a 4 hour time frame real quick to kind of confirm it. And what do you have on a 4 hour time frame? Look right here, Tariq. What do you have on a 4 hour time frame? Do you not have an engulfing red candle followed by a small green candle? Don't that look like a bull flag setting to you? So you already got one leg down. Consolidation with room to possibly fall down to the 50 SMA, even all the way down to the 200 moving average. So we could see, and we get this crack, 48 to 46. So I still think they gearing up for something. So I'm gonna stick to my guns and stick to my studies and think that that's what they setting up for. Pull back, consolidation, and that next leg down. I'm sticking with it. I'm not leaving my thought processes. I still think they're gonna try to do something. After this consolidated area, they're gonna set up and they're gonna go for it. Now, what time? I can't tell you that. I don't know. I can't lie to y'all on that. I don't know. I don't know what time it's gonna take place. But all I know is the setup that's presenting itself right in front of me. I think after this they're gonna play it up. Possibly 3 green candles to the upside into resistance, and then they're gonna try to turn it again. Like it's coming. I mean, because you can see that they gearing up for something. Because those sellers are sitting right here. Because every time you go up, sellers. Go up, sellers. So they gearing up for something right in this area. I'm just trying to put the time together. Because I think they're going to go for like one more leg down. One more. Because you already got an upper shadow on this candle. This candle about to close out in what, about a minute. So you're already underneath 750. So not just the 750-30 resistance. Think about this. You got like 3 levels. You got like 750-50 itself. The 750-30, where you can clearly see it gets rejected. And now you're back underneath 750 itself. So look at all these areas that's holding up as resistance. And look at this upper shadow. See that? They setting up for something. I told you. They setting up for something. That trap coming. That trap coming. Oh, it's coming. And there you go. What I told you. You got to know how to read it. You got to know how to read the room. You got to know how to read that bad boy. See, I knew. That's why I was waiting. I said, man, they setting a trap. I'm just trying to figure out when. And look at that. Lo and behold, upper shadow. Lo and behold, bear trap. I mean, a bull trap. Lo and behold, you're back underneath 750. I knew it. I knew it was coming somewhere. I knew it was setting up somewhere. I was just trying to figure out where exactly. I told you that bad boy setting up like he wanted to go for another leg down. And just trying to time that shiitake. Man, you're trying to curse, but you know, like you get what I'm saying. Because think about it. That was supposed to be 2 green candles up. You couldn't even get another second green candle in. It got so weak it fell right back down. All you ended up was with 1. So that's showing you the power of the sellers versus buyers right now. And look at that. Bull trap. Bull trap. Right back on down. On what price point? 49.54. Upper shadow, confirmed it. Boom, underneath. Now we should get that second leg down. Should be coming. Second leg down should be commencing. Gotta read the room, baby. Read the room. And you're guaranteed to bang on it. And there go your confirmation. Upper shadow, followed by a strong engulfing candle. Look, bam. Gotta read that room. I was trying to warn everybody. I said, man, I think another one coming. I think another pullback coming because they aiming for that 48.10. They aiming for 48.10. The only thing, like I said, I just couldn't give y'all the exact time when it was going to happen. That's why I waited till after 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock pushed to the upside. And then from after that, you couldn't hold. Right back on down. So, yeah. That was it. SpaceX, I still think 35 is coming. Still just got a $2 drop to go on that one. SPY, you just have a more so of a $1.50 drop to go on that one. Just got to get rid of this damn floor right here. Especially on the 49. 49, that's a wrap. Where you'll have room to fall down to 48.50, down to 48.10 to that actual level. But yeah, they're definitely setting up a trap, bull trapping. Yep. Because those candles are getting weaker and weaker and weaker. See, now you're having trouble trying to close even back on top of 49.54. We got about 3 minutes. So they're definitely trying to set up another one. So now y'all see what I did, guys? All I did was just be patient. Instead of chasing puts at these bottoms, I waited till 2 o'clock. Waited for the 2 o'clock volume to step in. 2 o'clock volume couldn't push. They couldn't get that break back above that 750.30. Then you wind up reversing back on down. So it's all about patience and waiting on the setups to present themselves. Especially in the chop zone. Especially in the chop zone. See, buys are desperately still trying to hold these bottoms, but it's still getting weak though. Still getting weak. Because they're having a hard time trying to get back on top of this area. They trying. See how they still trying to get back on top of this floor? They trying their hardest. So that's why I said this area is going to be very tricky. Said it was going to be a lot of back and forth at that price point. Didn't I tell you guys that? It's going to be back and forth. You left from it, you return to it. You left from it, you return to it. So you already know that area is holding some type of importance to both sides of the market, to buyers and sellers. Because you always find your way back around that 49.50. See that? You leave from it, you return to it. Leave from it, you return to it. Leave from it, you return to it. Leave from it, you return. See how you keep on finding your way right back around that area? So they're trying to find an area. I mean, because they're fighting to hold this level up, like big time. They're fighting to hold this level for sure. They're definitely fighting. They're definitely fighting to hold that floor. Because think about it. Why haven't we gotten away from it since what? 12 o'clock, 12:30? What time it is right now? 2 o'clock. So think about it. You've been damn near almost a 2 hour consolidation. So buyers still trying to hold this level. So now you see why I don't chase this little area, because it's just tough, man. Because you can see where the tops is, where buyers at. I mean, where sellers at, and you can see the bottoms where buyers at. It's just back and forth. They battling. Buyers are trying to protect their area. Sellers are trying to protect their area. But the main thing that I'm watching still is this 49.50 level. That's it. I'm only watching one price. I'm watching one price just to see how it reacts every time we get around this area, to make the smart decision on it, to make the right damn decision on this thing. So right now, buyers bought back up, so sellers have failed to take out that price point again. So that means that's key. That's holding. That's definitely holding. So they're definitely trying to set up a zone. I'm talking about buyers. They're definitely trying to create a buy zone, a trap somewhere right in this area. So that's telling me no going to puts right now, because we can't crack below it. So now, since we still having a hard time cracking it, could they now be setting up a bear trap? Because every time we come down these bottoms, buy you step in, buy you step in, buy you step in, buy you step in. It's like we can't even we're trying to get a candle to close underneath, because all I want is a sell signal. It's underneath this price point. All I've been doing right back and forth right here, confirmation. That's all I've been trying to do is wait on confirmation. And I mean, they can't hold it. They can't hold them underneath. See, buyers are strongly trying to hold this level. The only secondary level you're gonna have is this one right here. The only thing I can think of them doing is a huge fake out, pullback, and big buy back up and reverse. That's the only thing I can think of them trying to come up with that idea. Is a huge pullback all the way down to here, then a huge buy back up, and then a strong reversal. That's the only thing I can think of at this moment that the buyers could do. Because, I mean, that would be a sadistic trap. That would be definitely a sadistic trap. Fake them out. Which, I mean, you can still bank on it. You just have to scalp like crazy. Like, get in, get out. But this area is going to, I mean, right here, in this little zone, I'll be very careful. Because right here, see that fake out? Let's see if they're going to do it. What I was talking about. If they're going to fake them out. Let me see. See, I want a harder pull. I want a harder pull. A huge pullback. Like a strong, strong pullback. Create like a big old trap. Yeah, just be patient, guys. Just be patient. Just like I say, you're still in this consolidated like mode. So instead of me going back and forth, since we're already near the bottoms, I'm just gonna not worry about puts right now. I'm gonna think about the long side, so I'm gonna intend to pull back then. Let me see. VIX, thank you so much, Queen. Appreciate you. Yep, look at that. And look at that. VIX still going up. Look at this. VIX is still on an uptrend. Now you see that? Let's see. VIX still on this uptrend. If they break above this 17, what's the top areas on that? I think it's like 18 something. Oh, all the way up towards. Damn. Could they push up all? So that means that if that bad boy, that's what they doing. That's what they doing. They going for that. Oh, okay, I see what they doing. That's why I was expecting a hard pull back right towards that 18, that 48. Okay, so they are setting up to do that then. Let me see if they're going to do it. Well, they're going to go for a hard pull back down towards 48. That's what I was thinking. I said if they can't move up immediately, they're going to set up a big trap this way. Huge pullback. Okay. Appreciate you, Aussie. Yep. Because if VIX goes for a nice spike up, yeah, VIX is about to go for a hard drop. VIX is definitely about to go for that hard drop. May pull all the way back down to that trend line. Damn, because the trend line is all the way down towards 45.50. So I think that's what they may be doing. So, could I snake skin Randy the shit out of this? I know I said it, but I might snake skin Randy. I ain't gonna lie to you. I might snake skin it. Snake skin Randy. If that's because look at all this room you have to push on VIX. So if I can just take advantage of that, I'll do it. I gotta make sure my contracts are set though. Yeah, if I'm gonna do it, because I'm gonna be in and out these plays. I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm gonna be in and out. I ain't staying in. I ain't babysitting. So after this candle close, what we got left on this candle? About 40 seconds. So after this one closes out, I could try to attack that next candle coming. That next red one. For that intended target back down this way. So now we got the confirmation that sellers have got right back towards that level. Let me see on how the second candle gonna set up. Just trying to time that shit's gonna be insane. I'm gonna try to see how I can time it. How can I time it? Got about 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Next candle in. Boom. All right. Now let's see. Can this one go for a push and then I can catch it? Don't drop yet. Come on. Go back up. Don't fall yet. Don't fall. Go back up. Come on. Don't you pull yet. Don't you freaking pull yet. Not yet. You dirty motherfucker. Come on. Alright, there we go. Bounce back up. Go up. There we go. Go back up. There you go. There we go. See, I told you gotta time this crap. It's crazy. Ah, come on. Push, 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 push. There we go. Go back up. Come on, Cameron. Let's go. Let's go. I'm just waiting for that push. I'm waiting for that squeeze back up real quick. Quick little squeeze like a fake out. There we go. See? Go back up. Go back up. Go back up. What is these lows and these contracts? I'm trying to see how it's going to push. Shoot. It's not going to, I don't think it's going to grab more orders. God dang it. Come on, man. What are we doing on this count? Let me see. Okay, I see. Let me see. So we could get a push. Okay, let's see. Get that push. Get that push. Get that push. Get that push. There we go. Get that push. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. I'm just trying to see if I can get this push. I'm just trying to see if I can get this push. Because I want to catch those tops. Come on. And this is where your patience come in at, guys. Like, I'm just being patient. Because again, I'm not going for put at the bottoms. I'd rather wait for puts. I'd rather wait for traps to the top than a reversal. This damn candle here is getting on my damn nerves. It's getting on my damn nerves. So they start messing with you, start playing with you, playing with your emotions. I'm just waiting for a possible. We got left on this candle. Come on, man. See what I mean? See what I'm saying? How it plays with your emotions? See what I mean? How it plays with your emotions. Especially if you jumped in like down here, it'll definitely be messing with you if you got it on the push side because you praying and hoping that it reverses. See, this is the area that like that would definitely get with you. It'll get to you because you trapped at these bottoms, waiting for it to go back down. See, that's the area I say like you want to avoid because you don't know if it's gonna crack it just yet. Versus buying back up this way or getting for your puts towards the upside. We got left on this calendar. 1 minute left. 1 minute. I didn't get the push all the way back up just yet. Come on. Mother. Sometimes you get it, sometimes you don't. This damn candle is getting on my nerves. I know you want to push up. I know you want to do it. Stop playing with me. I know you want to push back up. I know you're trying to do number trap. There you go. See? See what I mean? You start to understand just the manipulation behind this crowd, man. That's why I said don't buy the bottoms, man. Like, wait for that push back up. See? If I wouldn't control my emotions, I'd just be jumping in anywhere, praying to God, go back, you know. See, I used to get caught in that crap, man. I had to learn from my mistakes. Instead of getting in on the put here, I'd rather get on puts to the tops. It's like, man, I used to stay messing myself up with that. I had to learn from my mistakes on that. Let me see if it's going to catch it. I mean, I'll do one. It's going to grab it. Nope, ain't grab my damn water, you son of a... I missed my order, you. Yeah, they messed. See, they playing with me. They definitely playing with me. I put in my order up here and they didn't grab it. You son of a. You dirty broad. Oh, you dirty broad. And I clicked it like 3 times. let's see. All right. I told you this area was gonna be crazy. I told you, cause you're gonna keep playing around this area. I told you. I told you this area gonna be, man, it's gonna drive you nuts. I told you. The area is sick. I told you the area gonna drive you completely nuts. Completely nuts. Cause that's a pivot point. Cause you're gonna always keep finding your way back to it. That's why I like to look for overextensions away from it. So what I was trying to do, I expect to do, I was wanting that candle to break through it, hit like some tough resistance, and fall back underneath. That's what I was anticipating. That we're gonna have a harder push where I get extended off of that level, then back underneath it. So by doing that, you'll have a cushion up here. Like say if it's you get in here and it falls back here, and it pulls back. Even if it's go back up, you're gonna get blocked here first before it gets all the way back to your entry. So at least you'll have a cushion. You'll have a safety net. So that's what I was trying to do. Let me show y'all, for example, what I'm talking about, for those who don't know what I'm talking about. So, okay, if I'm going in for a put, and I know where that pivot point is, I'm not going to buy right at the pivot point. If it bounces back up, I'm looking for an overextension away from it, where I can have a way better entry somewhere up here, right? And then once we start to turn back down, and we so happen to bounce back up, I know that I can expect a safety net or a shield right here first, before it gets back to my entry. Now y'all get it? Now y'all get what I'm saying? Now y'all get what I was trying to do? Well, I was expecting a possible push, an overextension off of it, so I can have a way better area up here as it falls back down to that area. So therefore, once you fall back underneath it, not only do you have your area that you enter in at, you'll also have this level here. So as it bounces back on up, I don't have to worry about getting shook out of my play. Because as long as this area holds and then reverses back on down, I'm good. Because my area or my entry is way up here. I'm still safe. Now y'all get what I'm saying? So that's why I was trying to hope that we was going to like go up and then pull, like go for a higher price point where I have a better entry. Now y'all get what I was trying to do. Almost like this one, for example. Like this one went up, you got above it. And this one would have been a good entry, right? Because therefore you pull back down to it, you got to dip below it, where you could have had taken an exit here or here. You would have had two choices. But when you just right on it, it's like I like to buy extension away from that the key level. That's what I like to do. Kind of like right here, for example. You wind up breaking above it, got an entry, overextension right off of it, back down to it. Now y'all get what I was doing? Overextension, put opportunity, right back down to it. Overextension, right off of it, back down to it. Because all your entries would have been up here, not right here. When your stop loss will get hit. Nah, y'all get it? Y'all get it? Y'all get it? What the hell is VIX doing? Because it don't look like my chart even moving. Let me see. Oh no, it is. Okay, it is still moving right there. Okay. So what I'm expecting on VIX is a little small red candle pullback, which should lead to a green candle on SPY. I want like a little small red candle pullback where they're gonna trap them here and then trap them here. But notice we still getting stuff on the what price point? 49.50, 49.50, 49.50. See that? Still getting stuff. Look at all the bodies of the candles. So as long as they keep trapping them, trap them. 9 times out of 10, after this area gets worn out, oh, they're going to attack harder. They're going to go harder. They're going to go even harder. So I'm waiting on this setup. Next candle coming in. So I'm expecting a little pop if they can do it. Man, it's just not giving me what I want. Oh, this area driving me nuts. I swear it's driving me nuts. I might just... Yeah, it just messed up all my game plans right here. That's when my game plans got messed up. Oh, man, it's all good. If I don't get it bumping, I mean, I already traded early, man. I mean, if y'all in it, as long as y'all stay underneath that 49.54, you want to crack that 49, because, again, the goal is down toward that 48.10. This little area right here just drive me... Now, the reason why I didn't want this area, because I'm like, what about we go back to it again? What about, it hit my stop loss? That's why I wanted overextension. That's why I wanted a 2 candle push and then a fall. Funk it. It is what it is. If I get it, I get it. If I don't, I don't. It is what it is. As long as y'all got it, cool. It's all good. It's all gravy. All gravy. I'm not going to stress out over it. Like I said, if y'all are in it, you want that crack of 49 and you want to get that fall pull back down towards 48.50 down to that 48.10. I mean, if I could catch it up, but like I said, I catch a good setup, I'm gonna nail it. It's just, they keep playing with me. See how I see what I mean? If I was to buy it up here, like right at it, what about we go back up to it and test it? And I put a stop loss right there. You see? And it hits it immediately and then pulls back down. And it took me out of my damn play and then went right. See what I mean? See? I gotta use the restroom real quick, guys. I'm gonna see if it's gonna try to give it to me. And I'm gonna see what I can do with this madness, man. I'm gonna see what I can do. See, but you see what I mean? Look, right back up to it. Now you see what I mean? Why I don't get right at it, I wait for extensions off of it. Now y'all get what I'm saying? Cause look what the market is doing. Right back to it like a magnet. You'll be pulling up right back. If you put your stop loss right where you got in there, they'll be hitting your stop loss. Right back to it. Boom. Now y'all get it. Oh yeah, no, boss. I'm being very careful. That's why I said if I could catch this last bit of pullback, because I mean, again, if you go back to last Friday's pullback, boss, towards 48.10, that's where you had the strongest pullback at. So I'm thinking about it from a psychological standpoint. Why would they not pull down to a strongest area where they banked at? So that's why I'm thinking 48.10. Like if I go back a little bit from Friday, what's that Friday bounce? Real quick, let me go back to Friday bounce real quick. Hold on. Where's it at? Right here. Look right here, left turn. Look right here, boss. Look. Where they had that strongest, better opportunity for the upside. Look how much they made back up. So it's like, why not replay this? A strong area that helped them out before. So that's what I'm anticipating as we get rejected from here and then pull back down this way towards that strong key area. So that's why I'm thinking after this area gets worn out, if they don't get this break for like one more pullback down. Oh, okay. I'm sorry, boss. I apologize. I'm sorry. I apologize. Sorry about that. So, but yeah, that's why I'm like, why would they not utilize this level to help them out that put money in their pockets before? So that's why I'm thinking this area gonna get worn out, and then they gonna drop them to that key level. It's coming. It's setting up for it. It's setting up, but it's definitely playing on my emotions right now. Guys, let me run to the restroom real quick because I'm gonna still keep this on watch to see if they're gonna do it. If they're gonna try to go for a quick squeeze up, a trap, and then y'all see what I'm talking about. But let me run to the restroom so I can get myself prepared for it in case it does it. So I'll be right back. Thank you guys for your time. Left turn, you keep killing it, boss. Keep killing it right out the gate. Shout out to you and your profits, boss. I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back. So you see what I mean? So let's just see That's why I said this area is gonna be very. I told you it's gonna be a headache because it's like a magnet. You always keep pushing your way back to it. So the only areas I can think if there's to push back up or where the traps could be is like right here where you got pulled back before. It's like way up this way. And see what I mean? See? There go the push that we talked about. Let's see. Because I'm expecting VIX to pull back. That means if VIX pull back, SPY's gonna push up. So it's come on, man. Come on. I'm trying to find, like I said, I'm just trying to study these levels exactly to put myself in a good position. That's the only areas I see is up here. Like towards that 50-50. It's the only area I really see that makes sense towards the upside. Where you could, catch them in a bull trap up here. Nice squeeze up, trap them right here, and then reverse them right back down. Ah, boy, it's a pain. Definitely a pain. It's the only area I see that makes sense. So I'm keeping on watch, guys. I'm still keeping everything on watch. Still see what they're going to do. What time it is right now? 2:30. So about, could we get a power hour push possibly if they hold? I know they're going to do something before 3 o'clock because they either going before 3 o'clock. They either going to push this bad boy back up or they're going to pull it within 30 minutes or even 20 minutes of this crossing over the power hour. So watch, just keep on watch. Either before 3 o'clock, within this 20 minutes almost, they're going to either push that bad boy back up or they're going to pull it. But I told you guys, this area was going to be crazy. I told you this little spot was going to be a pain. I told y'all. That's why I didn't want it. That's why I was waiting. Because I told y'all, I don't buy right here because if you get in like right at this price point and it goes back up and you got a stop loss right around your entry, you'll be knocked out of your play already. And boom, what I told you. see, you gotta pay close attention to details on this crap. That's how to avoid this getting caught in this little small chop zone when you don't really make a lot unless you're real fast and going in and out. I like to look for bigger moves out of a chop zone into areas that make sense. So that's why I'm expecting to push that bad boy up to 750.50. Almost basically back where we had these bounces at right here. Like right in this little area. Back up towards like right here. Like about a 2-3 counter push up right towards that 50 SMA. Like right in this spot. About a 2. Yep, and there you go. See? Now we want to see that continuation. We want to see another green candle. We want to see that bad boy build his way back up. Build his way back up. So it should be, I want to see about 3 candles in a row. 2 to 3 candles in a row. Because VIX still got this pullback set up there. So again, we get a pullback on that one. SPY's definitely going to spike back up. $30 seconds. Just keep it on watch, guys. Just watch this little level right here. Because if it holds, I want to see can it go for another leg up this way. 10 seconds. There we go. There go your bias. Right, we were just talking about. Right about now. Alright. So I have this little small pullback. I want to see this continuation push to the upside. Because you're back on top of what price point again, guys? $49.54. Back on top of that pivot point again. Keep in mind, pullback failure. Keep in mind, we can never stay underneath. Every time we pull back, we get right back on top. Pull back, right back on top. Pull back, right back on top. Pull back, right back on top. So that's kind of giving you a signal where those buys are sitting at. It's giving you a clear signal where the buys are sitting at. Because they refuse to let that price let it go. And there go your second green candle that we just talked about. Second green candle. Yeah, we just talked about. That's why I say sometimes you gotta just sit back without getting too emotional and just really understand the movement of it. Oh boy. So I guess the puts ain't ready yet then. So the way this is setting up, like we may be going for the next leg up. Let's see. So we break above that 750. We got to take out these top areas here. So we want that nice U-shaped pattern back up. 750 up towards this 750.50, that $half mark, of course. So we want to see that continuation push towards the upside. Because like I said, it's just, I mean, I know it's choppy, but look at the overall pattern what it's doing. Look at the U-shape. Look what it's slowly doing. Look at the psychology behind it. Buyers are back on top of what price point? They know they level. So now, more buyers should be utilizing the same area to try to go for a harder push. So let's see. And like I said, you don't have to trade this area. You don't have to. I mean, you can just sit there and watch. I mean, you don't have to trade every movement that moves. I took my swing position already. No problem for the day for me. Yep, I profited too. Man, T, no problem at all, man. Can't wait to see you tomorrow. For the CPI data. We'll see where we go from here. But like I said, normally, days before the CPI data, they like to pull back and hold a key level. That's normally what they do. They normally like to pull back in the beginning or in the middle of the market. See, kind of like what they did today. See, topped out, and they'll pull down the low key areas. But then as we get into a certain targeted area or area that they need, they'll start to kind of hold it. They'll kind of like go sideways. It's exactly what they're doing. So they're trying to prop it up. They're trying to stay between this area. They're trying to stay like this area. Just think this area of a demand zone between this 49 and 48. So you can see right now we haven't cracked it. So take this area, put that in green because that'll be your demand zone. Because why? Buyers are still protecting it. And there go your squeeze. What I told you. What I told you. Back up to what price point? What I told you. What did I tell you? Was it 50-30, right? 50-30. Almost to my target. As soon as I put that bad boy, it's going to probably hit it. Right to that target. Just like I told you guys. And that part here, right here is going to be green. That's going to be your demand zone going into tomorrow. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. And let's get demand zone for the day so far, because the buyers are maintaining their area. And your supply zone isn't all the way until we get back to these tops up that way. So that'll be your demand, supply zone, sorry, supply zone. So that'll be in red. All right. 7. All right, that'll be your supply zone to the top, where your sellers come in at, and that'll be your demand zone to the bottoms where your buyers come in at. Now y'all start to see the overall setup now from 9:30 to where we are right now. Sellers have protected their areas up towards the 53, 54. Buyers have protected their areas all the way down towards that 48, 49-ish area. So you can clearly see the transition. You can clearly see the rotation from top areas that you can't break, from the bottom areas that you can't crack. So there you go. So there you go. So we can clearly see where the demand zone is, and we can clearly see where the supply zone is at. Right now, we're just the bottom base right now. Buyers are just trying to make their way, trying to maneuver their way up. So we see what they're trying to do. Yep, like I said, days like this, you ain't got to trade that. I mean, until volatility come in, you get stronger candles, then yeah, you can go with the momentum. Because those contracts going to be just moving a little. They're going to move just a little bit. So notice this area that we got to break out first. Right here we got rejected at twice. 1, 2, right around the 750.50. Then from that, then we want to test around the 750, 150. Pretty much like a dollar push. Pretty much a dollar push. Because you got VIX still falling back down. So you haven't gotten back above 1710. So that pulled back on down still. So let me see what else is Yeah, kind of had a feeling. I had a feeling today was gonna be like this. I already knew that was coming. I knew that was coming. I already knew that was coming. Damn chop days. If you didn't catch this drop here, now you're just in another. Cause think about it. You had an upper consolidation, then you drop. Now you have a lower consolidation. So you just went from one consolidated area to the next consolidated area. I know. Just hold. I know. Aussie. Hold on, Queen. Hold on. Just hold on. Now I'm not saying it's not gonna build its way up, but wait on volatility to step in. Now we could get some power hour volatility. If we don't get it at 3 o'clock, we may see something at 3:30. I mean, so normally watch between 3 o'clock, 3:30, cause just watch to see what they're gonna do. Watch to see what they're gonna do off of these levels here. Either you're getting a hard pullback, and if you get a hard pullback, watch these bottoms. If they go for a spike back up, watch for these tops to this way. We just gotta find our way out of this consolidation to give us a true idea of what we want to do. We either want to see a strong breakout above 750.50 up, which you do have room to push up to the VWAP, which is around 751.50, pretty much a dollar push. However, if you crack this level, then look for that pullback down towards that 748.10 still. So right now we're just in this consolidation, still trying to wiggle our way out, trying to figure out. So think of a box in between this 750.50 down to the 749. So you're just trying to wiggle your way out, trying to figure your way out of this box. That's pretty much it. Now, like I said, unless you catch the very bottoms for the rotations back up, then yeah, that's different. Or you catching the very tops back down to the bottoms, that's different. But when you're in this middle area, it's kind of still indecisive in a way, because they don't know whether they want to go back up. You don't know whether they want to go right back down. But you know where your pivot point is that you keep finding your way back to is that 749.54. So notice that. Look how many times we played around 749.54 over, whether it's up or down. Look at this. 49.54, 49.54, 49.54, 49.54, 49. So we know that's going to be key, because look how they keep playing around it. So we know that's going to hold some type of importance, because why would they stay around this price point if it didn't mean anything to buyers or sellers? So it can benefit the buyers as long as they hold it for the push back up. It can benefit the sellers if we crack underneath it, right back on down. So that area is going to be very, very, it's going to be a key area right here. Definitely key area right here. And I'm just highlighting the yellow for right now, because that's going to be key, because it's holding some type of importance that we can't get away from it. This area right here. Above it, we can, again, it belongs to the buyers back up. Below it, it belongs to the sellers right back on down. So watch this key area to see what's going to happen. Either we get a bounce or we're getting a yank right back underneath. As we are slowly about to cross over to power hour, we'll see. What I would expect, or what I would want, is a pullback. I'm just going to be honest. I want it back down to the lows, because especially if CPI data comes out and we don't know the numbers, I would rather buy a low than high. That'd be the smartest thing to do. Why would I buy a high if the news come out negative, we drop on us? I'd rather get into a low area where I'm well protected into a psychological area, back down this way. That's what I would want. Let me see if I can see anything else that may stand out that can help us as we are just still watching this. Because I still think that bad boy, and I'm just going to be honest, I may be crazy. I still think this bad boy is aiming for 48 on down. I'm just going to be honest. I still think it's aiming this way. I'm going to be 110% honest how I'm just feeling right now. That we're going to still drop this way in due time. The only thing I hate, though, it takes so damn long, because power hour, we only got an hour to go. So, see, and then think about it from yesterday, Austin. Look at this. Pull back, downtrend. Pull back, downtrend. So if I move this just a little bit, you still kind of got like this downtrend setup from yesterday's setup till today. Look, see, still got a downtrend setup still taking place. So that's why I'm expecting some more, where these tops are still holding up as resistance, but then we can still test out these bottoms. So that's why I'm anticipating some more pullback to occur, like down this way, because we still haven't tested these true bottoms right here. We haven't tested this level out that held up for support. Like none of these areas. And we still got that trend line like right here for a possible trend line bounce. Because we bounced off of this. And look at how powerful that trend line was. Aussie, Jen, and everybody else. Look how powerful the trend line was the last time you hit it. Look at how powerful that call opportunity was. Look at this. I think we had another one too. Look right here. Boom. Look at how powerful that trend line bounce was. Look at that. Next day. Day after that. Day after that. Look at how strong that swing trade was. Same thing right here. Boom. Trend line bounce. next day, day after that. See that? So if that trend line is very, very valuable, why not pull back down and retest it again where you'll have a better entry? So that's why I'm thinking, why wouldn't they not pull down towards 48, down to that 46, and retest that trend line again? So, because to me, that would be a good area for possible call opportunity or buy opportunity, whatever you're trading up, options or shares. Because this setup, I mean, you have a bear flag setup and look like one more leg down this way. Matter of fact, let's do this. Hold on. Let me see if I can figure this out. Let me see something. Hold on. Let me figure something out. If we were to play off of that move, let me take these tops all the way down to these bottoms. Now let me make a duplicate copy. Oops. Make a duplicate copy of you, and then go the opposite way. So how far we used to flip this way, and look right to the VWAP. So look, okay, look at this pivot point. All right, Aussie, look, okay, look at this pivot point, right? The pivot point. So look at the movement up, back on down. That's your measure move right here. That's towards the upside. Now the measure move toward the downside would put you towards 45, 46, right to that trend line. So if we play the rotation game, in other words, let me highlight this in yellow. Watch what I'm trying to get at. If we play the rotation game, we already rotate up, but if we play the rotation down this way, so we already got the off that yellow line. We already got the rotation up, right? Bam. Now the measure move underneath would give you right where that trend line is at. See that? Right back to where? Boom. You're 49.54. Look at that. Boom. Upper rotation. Boom. Lower rotation. Then been right back to what price point? 54. And then you will slowly move your way back. I see what y'all trying to do, you slick sons of guns. So, man, they better not wait to do this crap in post-market and pre-market when nobody, like when option traders can't trade this. With, to get the best entries. They better not do it. They better not do it. They better not hold off. I have a feeling they're going to do that. I have a feeling they're going to hold off for the rest of the market until it closes. And then they're going to make their move in post-market, pre-market, and then find out. They better not. They better not. They better not. If they selfish. They selfish. If we don't get no moves, what I think they may try to do, Aussie, they're going to stay in this range until the market closes, right? And then what I think is, then they're going to pull back post-market, after hours, post-market into pre-market tomorrow, and then I swear they better not. And they grabbed all the good entries. I swear they better not do that. They better not be that selfish and do that. Stall us out of our entries just so they can get a better entry. Post-market, pre-market to that trend line, back on up, and then give us like these entries back this way. I swear they better not do it. They better not do it. Because they known for doing that crap. Because look right here. Post-market, pre-market. Look right here. They better not. I swear they better not do it. They better not do it. They better not do it during intraday. I swear if that's what they doing, they cold-blooded. Like not giving us the piece of the pie down this way so they can take it in after hours in pre-market tomorrow. I swear they better not do that. I'm going to be highly pissed off. Instead of doing intraday, instead of dropping it this way for us to take a piece of it, they going to stall it off, go sideways until the damn market close, and then they going to step in and get the better entries going into tomorrow. I swear they better not do it. They better not. They better not do that. I won't be pissed off if they pull that crap. I'm gonna be cursing out. I'm gonna be cursing like. Swear they better not do that. That's so selfish. That is selfish if they do that. Why I just have a feeling they're gonna pull something like this. What, guys? Y'all agree? Left, y'all, you agree, boss? That they gonna be selfish enough to hold us out of the play, like right here. Like they gonna go sideways until the market close, and then they gonna go for their moves. Kind of like they did, like I said, pre-market. Look. They did this before. Look at this. Sideways, post-market, pre-market. Took all the good entries. They better not be doing what I think they're gonna do. That's selfish. They better not. I'm gonna keep it on watch though. I'm gonna see, because powwow about to kick in 4 minutes, guys. So we're gonna see what powwow we're gonna do. What powwow we're up to 3:30 gonna do, because it's just still sideways. We've been in this damn range since 12:30, 12:30, and it's about to go on 3 o'clock. So they better not pull no. Let's see, 1:30, 2:30, 3:30. I swear we better not be in no 3 hour range. We better not be in no 3 hour range to no 3:30. I swear we better not. I'm talking about go sideways all the way to like 3:30 right here, and then they make a move. I swear they better not do that. Because it looked like they planning on doing that crap. That's what it looked like, boss. It looked like they planning on going sideways for about 3 hours till 3:30 and then do something before the market closed. Oh, boy. But guys, this is a lesson learned to be patient. This is a lesson learned to study. This is a lesson learned to just not sit here and just look at one area. What you do is, like I said, normally what I do, I'll make a duplicate copy of my chart, same 5 minute, but then I'll stretch it out just to see, just to kind of get a better understanding. I'll get a better understanding like how we setting up. So I go back out just a little bit and look at the overall picture of it from, the buyback on up that Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and now I'm looking at trying to figure out the range. So all I'm doing is identifying where the tops is from Friday's tops and identifying where the bottoms is from Friday's bottoms. So again, remember guys, Monday sets the tone, Friday sets the standard. So you got to keep in mind, look at Friday's standard, right? The standard was the lows, because remember, we ain't cracked yet, is 48.10. That's still a floor. Tops towards Fridays was around 55.44. So today's session, we haven't got up to Friday's highs, nor have we got to Friday's lows, which is doing what? Keeping us in a range, because we still haven't yet to find out, our way through, whether we're going to pull all the way back down to the 48s down this way or back up towards that 53 to 55 that way. So we don't know what we're doing yet. We're still in this range based off of Friday's setup. So now that we know where the tops is and all that, let me take off this here and this here so I don't have too many things on the board. And I'm going to take Friday's setup, Friday's tops, right, into Friday's bottoms and put that with Monday, because I'm going to drag it over. Because Friday's tops, if we don't break it, that's not only is it going to be Monday's problem, it's going to be Tuesday's problem until we break it. Same thing at the bottom, vice versa. The bottoms, Friday's bottoms, Monday's problem, if you're looking at it from a put standpoint, is going to be Tuesday's problem. So that's it. So all we're going to do is just take this range that we have right in front of us. So we're going to mark, we already got the bottoms already marked off. And let's mark off these tops in red, because that's the range that we're in at this moment. So let's go ahead and mark this off. And even within that range, we'll figure out how to play the range. How to play the rotation, how to catch some good bottoms, or how to catch, the top areas to the downside until we make a decent move. Try to utilize it to the best of our ability. I'll put a 4. It's not 1 to do. All right, so here you go. So Friday's bottoms, again, no crack here. Friday's tops, no breakout here. So all we're going to do is just keep this range until it finds its way out of it. That's it. But we can still play the price points within this area. So if this area holds, we'll play the movements back on up. Look for the certain price points towards the upsides, where the strongest areas. But this area right here is going to be, because, look at this. Look how powerful the bounces are. 48.10. Look at how powerful that bounce was. And then this morning pre-market, 49.54 bounce. So they got to be trying to create a trap somewhere in this area. They got to be doing that. But I think they're going to selfishly grab all of these lows and then reverse it back up. I think that's what they're going to do. I really think that's what they're going to do. They're going to give us a small portion of that. See, watch. See? And look, it's turning. See? Slowly turning. Back on down again. See? Aiming where? 48.10. See? Still aiming. Still on a downtrend. I told you guys, it wasn't going to stop till it get back towards that area. And look. See? I told you, it's going to find its way towards that price point. But we're going to see what's going to happen. Well, the power hour just kicked in. So let's see what power hour is about to give us. What power hour is about to give us? Is it about to give us a pull or is it about to give us a push back up? What is it about to give us? I want to pull back down. Because like I said, I would like the bottoms where I can set up for my calls. This damn 49.54 is driving me crazy. Like, you just do not want to get away from it. It's like, look at this. Damn near almost 3 hours coming and we still ain't get away from this price point. Look at this. Once again, 49. Look at that. Perfectly right on top of it. Red to green. I told you guys this area was going to be a problem. I told you that area was going to be a problem. It was going to be a problem. That's why I was waiting for overextensions from it to pull back down to it, or even a drop for a push back to that price point. I was going to play either side, but I wanted an overextension, whether I'm going to go for a put back down to it or for a call bounce back up to it. But we just been just around this area back and forth, back like nothing major yet. We just cannot get away from this damn price. I mean, well, it's just this area. Because, I mean, we know what buyers are trying to do. We know buyers are trying to utilize that for support. We know this. But then again, sellers are trying to get back underneath it for the pullback down this way. But notice right now, buyers have it. So, lower shadow, green candle, right on top of. So, they still holding that area. So, I mean, until then we can worry about these upper areas back this way. You know, towards the 52, 54-ish areas. But we got to break through this first. So buyers may be trying to step in finally. They may be trying to step in. Took long enough, about damn near 3 hours. Jeez Louise. Because we still got to worry about this top area first. Well, we got to reject that. Right around the 50-ish areas. Right around here. We got to take that out first. So if you go for a pull, if you jumped in, guys, your targeted areas is 50-30 to 50-50. Right at the areas where you pull back to. Green or red, right at this area, right in this little spot. That'll be your target areas if you're taking profits. Back up this way, right between these two areas. That'll be your target spot. If you jumped in. Apple saving the market. Let me take a look at it real quick, Quinn. Because, I mean, you still got PLTR holding. PLTR still holding perfectly. That's still holding. Hell, you still got Microsoft still holding up pretty decent. Amazon. I mean, they all got uptrends. I mean, Apple, we still got to get back above 318. I mean, look where your highs is at. Your highs all the way back up to 323. Now, the ones that's holding up right now at this moment, Nadia, I mean, look at it. I mean, even though we're pulling back down, you still got an uptrend on Amazon, back down to the 248s. Microsoft, uptrend, and just getting rejected because we got to get that break above that 393. That still got an uptrend to it. PLTR, the strongest one, our top gainer of the day, which holding up at 2%. All you need is a break above 130. So, and they all got these respectful uptrends, especially PLTR. That still looks healthy, still looks good, still above the VWAP, so that's still bullish. And then look at SPY, more buyers are stepping in at where? 49.54. So, the question is, all the buyers are going to execute off this level and push up towards the VWAP. They got the upper hand right now. We need to see consecutive green candles. We need to see green candle push, 750, 750.50. Green candle push, 751. Green candle push up to 751.50. Basically back up towards the VWAP and the 200-day moving average. The goal is just to get back up towards these two indicators. We already been falling underneath it for about hours and hours and hours, and you already know VWAP is very important. So we definitely want to get our way back up to the VWAP. That's going to be around 51.30, 51.50, and then up to the 200-day, which you already know that's a strong resistance within itself. So these are your main targeted areas as of now. Is up towards 51.50. So we want to go from this bottom area, and we want to find our way right back up towards that trend line. So we want to do a trend line test and a test of the VWAP and the 200. So that's what we want to see. Because, I mean, look at all this space you have to move up, Nadia, when you could create a U-shaped pattern. Look at this. Look at all this space, empty space that we still haven't tested yet. After this fall, we haven't went back up for a U shape. So look at all this room that buyers can push up to 51.50. So again, buyers have the upper hand. They just got to come in with volume and push. I wonder if I say something nasty if they're going to get mad and then push it. If I say something just terrible, make fun of them, they dog or something, and then they just get mad and push it. Nah, I ain't going to do that. That's wrong. Still in this range. Like I said, we just got to figure out how we coming out of this range. I mean, yeah, because I ain't going to jinx that because then I might have a female dog with one eye and one leg, and I gotta call her Eileen. But that ain't the point. But I'm just saying, we're gonna keep our eyes peeled on this level here. Call Carl. No, that's Kyle. Call Kyle. I gotta call Kyle. But look, we still look at this. I told you, what I'm thinking they're gonna do, if we don't crack below this level, they're gonna go sideways till 330. I still think we're going down to that 48. I still believe in my heart of hearts that we're going to crack this and we're going to pull back down this way in due time. I still think they want that 48 down to that 46. I still think they want that area. I'm just waiting on confirmation. I'm just patiently waiting on confirmation. I'm waiting on it. Because, I mean, hell, you got VIX at a 12%. You got SPY at a negative 0.71%. I'm thinking this flush is coming. I believe in my heart of heart that pullback is coming. I'm gonna have to switch. No, hell no. I'm switching my contracts. I just realized. I'm like, oh shoot. I was using the zero DT. Hell to the no. Negative. Negative. Let me see. I still think that we are aiming this way. Come on, man. So tomorrow I'm gonna have to smooth my contracts over just a little bit to need a little bit, some little cheap, because I want to play a little small. I want to go heavy. So let me see what contracts I could use. Now, am I holding that? Hell to the no, because I think they're gonna be setting up for a bounce going into tomorrow. So that's the negative. So I think after this pullback, they're gonna be setting up a trap somewhere. It's like somewhere down this way, somewhere after this pullback, because they're gonna find it. Because what I think is after they drop this way, they're gonna buy up. They're going to buy up and then find their way right back on top towards that 49.54. So I just want to take advantage of the ride on down and then switch over to a call back up. That's the game plan if they stop taking forever in a day to do this damn thing. But I told y'all what they was going to possibly do. They're going to be selfish enough to stall us out of our positions to get better positions down here. They're going to take advantage of it in post-market and pre-market. Selfish MF. That's some selfish crap. All I wanted was a pullback down to 48, just a scalp. Like, why y'all can't give me that, man? Why can't y'all just give me a pullback without trying to stall me out of my trade? Why? Because imagine how many people that got in on the push, they're just still waiting. Think about it, Aussie and Nadia. Think about it. Think how many sellers shorts that jumped in, still holding, jumped in, still holding, jump in, still holding, praying to God that one of these candles is going to go into a solid red to get them out of their positions. So imagine... So just imagine just having to be so patient and wait. You just waiting it out. Because 1 minute you think it's about to fall, then it go back up. Then you think it's about to fall, then it go back up. So imagine how many people losing their minds on the put side, just praying to God that this is going to soon let go and they can finally get what they've been waiting for. Ooh, especially if they got a 0 DTE. Ooh, there we go. Nice. See what I mean? See? I think they heard me. Aussie. I think they might want to give it to me now. Oh, now you want to give it to me. Oh, look how sweet. Towards what time? 3:10. Yeah, that's about right. Selfish. And I told you guys, I wouldn't give it up on that short. I told you. I have a feeling they want to pull down to that 48. You just had to wait it out. Boy, I bet you the ones that's holding them contracts still, boy, I know they happy. They getting a little bit of something. Here we go again. Now we just want to see this further pull. We just want to see this continuation pullback. Get out of this dang range. Give us, crack 49s, back down to the 48.50s, down to that 48.10. We just want to get that smooth pullback right there. Because I told y'all where they was going. I wasn't giving that up. I wasn't giving it up. I was waiting. It's like, finally, man. Could we just keep it going? Keep it going. Keep it going. Now what we want to see is that red candle crack 49. Close underneath 49. Because we want that third candle to now fall back that way. So we want this one to take this area out. We want to close underneath 49. Done. Well, we're getting away from this damn price point. We're getting away from it. Finally getting away from it. So we want these candles to excel down. We want this one to at least close towards 49. Cool. Then that third candle from 49 to 48.50 down to 48.10. Cool. But long as it's away from this damn price point that had been driving us crazy for almost 3 hours. So they may be finally listening and finally giving us what we've been sitting here waiting on for like the freaking longest. But I knew they was going to do something like this. I knew they was going to try to hold a range for like hours. I knew that was coming. I knew they was plotting on that. That's why I told you guys it would be so weird, so funny. Or it wouldn't surprise me if they go sideways till about 3 o'clock to 3:30. It's like, now they finally doing it. Boy. Come on. Now we need, because now you're back underneath 49.54. Back underneath again. Now we just need, but notice, guys, every time we pull back, and notice your candles this way. No successful pullback. No successful pullback. No successful pullback. No successful pullback. But that's why we want that candle to now successfully close underneath 49. Because that means that that floor is no longer valid. Now we can focus on further pullback down on what we've been waiting on this whole entire time. So far, I think they may be listening. Finally about to take this floor out. Thank you, Jesus. Finally. For 3 hours. Oh, my God. Please don't do this. Don't you dare bounce it. Don't do this. Don't. Let it go. Like Elsie on Frozen. Just let it go. 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 Come on. Come on. That candle should be closing right about here. What we got left on this candle? 2 minutes. Oh, almost 1 minute. Let it go, bro. Let this floor go, please. Oh my God. What is up with this damn 49.54, man? What is up with this pivot point that's just not giving up? Let it go. But but all jokes aside, but that's just like, when you see something like this, don't stress yourself out. Utilize that area to the best of your ability. Because now that you know a certain magnet area that we have, again, if we drop on down and we get a bounce, we know that we'll be returning. So that can benefit you on the long side, vice versa. That just like, again, if this bad boy spikes off that 49 and go up and we pull back down, we know where we're trying to go to. So just take this area into consideration and utilize this to the best of your ability. It's hard to kind of do it right now when you're still stuck on this damn price and we ain't got away from it. I know right now it's going to be a pain. It just won't let this area go for nothing. It's holding on for dear life. Like, jeez Louise. It's just like holding on. Seriously. This crap not even funny at all. It's not even funny. This is ridiculous. So let me take all this off. So this is gonna be your area, the area that we cannot leave from, or having trouble leaving from. From here. Oh, now you pulling. Come on. Down to here. Oh my God. It's a good thing I traded this morning. That's why I told you guys your best time to trade is early in the morning when you have more volatility. Like around this time. I see 3 red candles down. What are they doing? Shoot. I think I see what they're trying to do. Let's see what's about to happen. I think I see what they're trying to do. Yep. 1, 2, 3. I'll see what y'all slick at. I'll see what y'all trying to do. I'll see what y'all doing. Y'all trying to set up that damn bear trap. Trying to set up a bear trap. They're trying to set up a bear trap right there. Watch. They're trying to set up a bear trap. I see us. I see they're trying to do a bear trap. Let me see if they're gonna do it. Cause you already got 3 candles down. See? And you notice how that third one is stalling out? Cause those buys are trying to buy right back on up. They trying to go for a red to green move. They trying to. Why they gotta do this all at the last minute, man? They could have been doing all of this earlier. But I get it though. I get it. Because they not trying to move too fast too soon before the CPI data. So I get it. I get it. I get it. They don't want to move too fast too soon. So that makes sense. That makes sense. Because they want all the volatility to go into tomorrow. So I get it. I get it. So they're trying to level it off. Because they know if they move too fast too soon, it's not going to go according to plan. So in other words, if they was to try to spike up too fast too soon, you know, 9 times out of 10 it's not going to hold. It's going to pull back. It's going to mess up their plans. So I get it. I get it. So they're trying to level it out. They're trying to level it out. Trying to hold a certain level where they're not too far from those tops. So I get what they're trying to do. I get it. Because all they're trying to do is hold this level so they can find their way back up this way. So it's not going to be too hard of a push. So obviously they know something that we don't know. They know something we don't. Because other than that, this thing should have been dropping off the face of the earth. We should have been falling back down to like 49, 48, 46, you know, like some lows. But if you notice, they're trying to hold a range. They're trying to hold a range, like slowly. They're trying to stall those puts out of their contracts. They're trying to hold a base level because they're waiting for tomorrow. I told you guys, for every time the day before CPI data, they always setting up. So like I told you, 9 times out of 10, they'll drop the market down, but then they'll level out. So once you start to understand they setups, like each time, it's like, because that's why they're not trying to shoot it up right now. Because again, they'll be too fast too soon. And another thing, another reason why they're not going to go too fast too soon is because what's in the way? That trend line is in the way. So the best thing to do, because you know every time you hit that trend line, you pull back. Trend line, you pull back. So if they move too fast too soon right now, they're already going to be welcome into resistance. But they're going to have a brick wall sitting right here. The smartest thing to do is to scoot it over, right? Scoot it over. So as that trend line moves lower, they can easily break through it. Now y'all get it? So if they, come on. So if they were to go spike up right now, you're already hitting resistance. Too fast, too soon. Because you're not giving it time to build up. If you run up, bam, that'll be a third touch. That's going to ruin their play. And that's more sellers going to come in and yank them down even harder back down that way, right? However, if they play it smart, like I would do if I was them, level it out, stay right within this area, right in this area, because your trend line is pulling lower, because it's not going to take much to go for a strong push through that trend line, which causes a what? Trend line break. That's going to put you up towards that price point, and then for possible room to go back up towards these price points. So, I see what they're doing. That's why they're trying to go sideways. Because again, too fast, too soon, trend line, again, rejection. That'll be a third touch. That's not going to allow them to hold, and that's going to go for a harder drop. Because that means the harder the drop, that's more work they got to put in. Because you're going down to even lower areas. So then you got to work on this area. Then you got to work on this area. But if they hold in this area, it's not going to take much to go for a nice bounce and a nice squeeze back up towards that price point and back up towards that price point. So the smartest thing to do is go sideways, hold this level until after hours tomorrow, and then reverse it. So I see what they're doing. I see what they're trying to do. Now watch. Let me see. They still hungry for that 48 though. They hungry for that 48 though. Let's see. Are they gonna actually get this 48? They setting up something right here. They definitely they setting up something right in this area. They up to something right here. Watch. They setting up something right in this area. Watch. Then about 30 minutes in, watch this. But this area is still holding on very strong. Red candles are hesitating. Yeah, see, this type of crap right here, I don't even trade it. Now, we do a hard pullback. Yeah, I'll be setting up for a bounce, yeah. Yeah, that's selfish. Yeah, I think they're going to hold this all the way to the market close. Then they're going to try to attack the bottoms, like these low areas between post-market and pre. Ah, that's what they doing. They selfish. Oh, they selfish. Oh, they going to hog it. You selfish MFers. If we don't get it like right, before the market close, they gonna do it. I'm guaranteed they're gonna try to do it for power hour or post market. They gonna stop the intraday traders right here, like somewhere in this area, but they gonna take over this area and this area over post market, pre market. Oh, y'all selfish. Oh, y'all selfish. Y'all selfish. Selfish asses. Because what we got left, so we got about almost 30 minutes coming. Watch. They ain't going to even give it to us. They going to stop the intraday traders right here. Oh, let me see. Are they going to give it to us? Are we going to get it? Let's see what they're gonna try to do right here. Let's see. Like I said, we gotta get rid of this 49. Watch this level right here. Let's see. Because either they're gonna drop, go for this hard pullback, and then a buy back up, or they're gonna hold this level to trap these shorts and then reverse it. Because you got already 4 red candles down, still having trouble breaking this 49. Yeah, they plotting them something like right in this area. They look. Soon as I said it. Oh, what y'all plotting? What y'all plotting? I know y'all up to something. Soon as I said it, that volume started moving in. Between here and here. Why? I know y'all up to something at this bottom area. I know y'all up to something. Y'all up to something. Are they going to give us that 48.10? Are we going to actually get it? Are they going to finally let you mother... Oh, you bastards. I can't stand y'all. I can't stand y'all. I can't stand y'all. I knew they was going to wait towards the end of the freaking market to do this. I knew they was going to wait towards the end of the market to do this. That ain't funny, Aussie. They playing my emotions. I told you. I said, watch when 330 hit. I said, watch when they're gonna try to do something. You dirty MFers. I could have been done with my scalping. They waited all this time for about. I told you it was gonna be in this range for about 3 hours. I told you from 12:30 to 3:30 it was gonna be in this range. Oh man, I told y'all that day before. CPI data come out. I told you they plotting. They plotting. I told you what they doing. So by 3:30, I wonder if they're gonna go for that hard pullback, and then before the market closes, they're gonna get right back up on top. Like do all the buying back up to the upside. Cause you're not too far from that 84, that 48.10. Like you right to it. You right to it. They plotting. Man, I want to get in, fellas. Come on, man. Let me know what the game plan is. I want to join. So I think they're going to go for... I think this is going to be it right here. I think they're going to do it right somewhere right here. Right before 3:30, they're going to do it. Right before 3:30. Oh, you're going to finally give me that pullback. I've been sitting here with you dirty... Oh! It's just dirt. Oh, I just want to just punch them in the face. Just... After 3 hours, now you finally give it to us. I knew y'all was up to something. Oh, man. I was watching this area the whole time for like 3 hours. 48. For 3 hours, I sat here waiting on this damn 48. So from 3:30, what's going to be the game plan from 3:30 to 4? So they slowly trying to set up something from 3:30 to 4. I just have a feeling it's going to be these two areas in particular coming up. It's like they trying to set this up perfectly. So I think they're going to try to get this down to like 3:30. And then from here, they're going to yank it. And then right before the market closes, they're going to buy back up. I just have a feeling they're going to do something like that. If I'm lying. I mean, if I'm telling you. I'm going to mark off what levels I can mark off where I think they're going to try to do this. I mean, I'll give it 45, 50, 46, somewhere in that bracket. Well, I mean, I'll put 49, 45, 50 for the bottom area. Let me see if that's what they doing. All right, so we know what this area is first. Now the question is how low. I say right to that damn trend. Look what I told you, man. This right before 3:30. They sadistic selves. Watch this 3:30 hit. Watch this 3:30 hit. Y'all, I know y'all game plans. What y'all trying to do? Y'all think y'all slick? Y'all ain't pulling nothing over me. Got about 3 minutes. I say within 3 minutes, we're gonna be right by that 48. Why? Queen, I'm telling you, they game plan what they doing. I'm telling you what they trying to do. So within that's why they hesitated so long. Cause again, they don't have to worry about too much of a drop where they can't recover. So as I told you, I said right around 3:30, they're gonna get to that 40. I knew it. Oh my God. I can read them like a book. Right down to that 48 before 3:30. Now once that hit, from 3:30 to 4, I think they're gonna try to do like a fake out. Either they're gonna hold that 48 because that is a strong support. I think what they're gonna do is once this counter closes, then that new one comes in. They're gonna do a fake out pullback, and they're gonna buy right back on top of this. Oh my God! I just knew it. I just couldn't give y'all the time. I couldn't give y'all the specific time, but I knew they was gonna set up something right to that. That's why I just kept watching this green line this whole entire time for 3 damn hours. I say they setting up. So they doing it. Let me see. Look. So watch. They gon' so well we still got time. Cause they gonna kind of be pushing it very close. So from 30 minutes, they gonna pull back this way. Buy back up. Watch. I wonder if I'm right about this. Well, after 3:30, 30 minutes of pullback this way, and then they go buy right back on top. Oh, if I'm right about this is insane. Let me see what they're gonna do. Got 30 minutes, guys. Look at that. Look at this. Look. Right before 3:30. I told you. Look. Oh, I caught on to y'all games. Boy, y'all can't fool me. 20 seconds before 3:30. I told you also they're gonna put it down to that 48.10. I told you. They sent that trap. Oh, that boy called it. Oh, if I ain't call that to a T. Right to my green line. And Jay, you lying. All right. Let me bring up my whatchamacallit if I'm lying. If I'm lying. That I posted this morning in pre-market. What price point you see right there? 748.10, right? 748.10, right? Let's go. Since this morning, 48.10 targets on down. We knocked out every target on the short side. 48.10, I told you. I told you. They like to set up right before the CPI data come out. I knew it. I freaking knew it. Now you got 30 minutes left. So, Jay, what's the game plan on this one? what I'm thinking they're going to do, I wouldn't mind them doing, is cracking that 48.10, falling down towards the 46, 45, 50 with a strong pullback, and then go for a strong buy right back up. That's what I wouldn't mind. So we already got 48.10 down pack. So now we want to see what's going to happen within the 30 minutes. That is insane. I call that shit to a T. Is insane. I mean, right at 330, right down towards that 48.10. Oh, man. I'm starting to study these boys. Starting to study their thinking. Starting to study their way of thinking. How to set up a beautiful trap. A beautiful, beautiful trap. So what I want this one to do is get a pullback. I want this one to crack down, do a fake out, and then go right back up. And if I swear, honestly, if I called all of this to a T, man, that's crazy. So 30 minutes. So we got 30 minutes to start off right now. So within 30 minutes, pull back, and then before that market close, find their way right back on top of that 48.10. Let me see if that's what they're going to do. So, like I said, either they're going to hold 48 or they're going to do a fake out pull back below 48. But it's going to be 48 going to be involved. It's going to be 48 going to be involved. It's going to be involved in some shape, form, or fashion on this trap coming up. So something is going to happen in between that. Either they're going to hold and squeeze it back. I mean, like, stay within this area. But, I wouldn't mind them doing a fake out. To me, I think that would be better. See, 48 bouncing. Let me see. 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes. Go for a flush. Get rejected. Go for a fake out. Go up. Get rejected. Pull back down to 48. And go for a harder drop. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. So we already called the 48.10. So that's crazy. So what I'm expecting them to do, if they're gonna do what I think they're gonna do, is pull underneath that 48.10 even lower, create a big old trap, create a big old massive trap. Let me see if they're gonna do it though, because that's what I would do. That's what I would do. That'd be the smartest thing to do. I would literally do that. I would literally fake out these shorts, down, trap them, and then go right back up. That's what I'm just saying. That's what I would do. All right, guys, got about 30 minutes till I leave on out. If y'all have any questions, comments, or concern, do feel free to reach out to me. Let me go ahead and give everybody a shout out early in advance. So shout out to everybody who did come through. And look. Oh. Let me see if they're going to do it. Let me see if they're going to do it. Let me see if they're going to do it. Are they going to do it? Are they going to do it? Because we talked about the trap on up, and then that reversal right back on. That's why it's like they're hearing everything I'm saying right now. But while we're looking at this, let me give everybody a shout out so we can stay focused. Let me give everybody a shout out real quick. It's like everything I'm calling out, they doing it. It's insane. So let me give a shout out to the team. Shout out to the team. Give a shout out to my mods. Thank y'all so much for coming through too, man. I definitely appreciate you guys. Love y'all. Appreciate y'all. And if y'all new to my channel, man, you know what to do, man. Go to my YouTube channel, man. Smash that subscribe button. It's free 99. If, the things that I talk about, things that I'm breaking down, guys, is helping you guys a long way. Helping you become better traders. I'm here to help out Monday through Friday the best that I can. And, again, we're a family, man. We're a unit. We're a community. If you're already subscribed, like, share, comment. If you're on Twitch, follow or subscribe to avoid the ads. Other than that, let's get back to focusing. So, let's see. Let's see. Are they going to do what I think they're going to do? All right, so right now they're holding above 48. So what I'm expecting. So notice how that candle's holding up above 48.10, right? So that's why I'm expecting a hard drop, a hard yank, and then a long lower shadow and right back on top. Are they going to do what I think they're going to do? Are they going to do it? Are they going to do it? I swear to goodness if I call this. Oh, my goodness. If I call this. I swear if I call this. This is crazy. I'm talking about all the way to the market close. I called this. I called this. All right, here we go. Put it back down to 48. What we're just talking about. Now, let's see if we're going to do this fake out pullback. But what time it is on this candle? I mean, they got enough time to do it. When yeah, it is a new candle. It's a new candle. So this one, I mean, I can see them doing on this one. Got 5 minutes to do it. If it ain't this one, it's gonna be one of these candles coming. Where they gonna do this crap? They gonna set up a big bad trap. If it ain't this one, it's gonna be like one of them over this way. We're gonna set up a trap. Watch. They're gonna do a fake out pullback. If it ain't, like I said, if it ain't this one, it's gonna possibly be that next one. Cause how many minutes they got left? They got about 4 minutes. See, if I was them, I'd yank it right now. Well, right in that 5 minute candle, I would do it. I would do it right now. Damn, they listen. I swear they listening to me. It's like they hear everything I'm saying. Like I said, it's either gonna be this one or that next one. But watch. This one, if this one don't crack it and make stop, and then maybe that next one coming in, maybe that 240 candle possibly. It's gonna be one of them though. It's gonna be one of them that's gonna do it. Watch. 4810. Watch. 4810. That's crazy. But now you kind of see that they thinking. Now you kind of see on how they set up traps and stuff. Because what are they trying to do? Man, they're trying to set up for a big fish. They're trying to set up for a big move. What's the best way to do it? Get down to low key areas. Trap shorts who don't know what they're doing. Squeeze them out of their position. Because the harder the pull, the harder the trap, the bigger the push. So if it ain't this candle, it's going to possibly be that next candle. It's going to be one of these coming. It's going to be one of them coming. It's going to be one of y'all. How much what we got left on this candle? 2 minutes. 2 minutes. So it may not be this one. Maybe that next one coming. You got PLTR pulling back on down. SPY still holding at 48.10. So I'm trying to show you how to read traps, like how to read traps, so like how they set them up. Cause like I said, I used to get caught in these. Like it took me a while to learn this crap. But if I was them, I would set the biggest trap, like fake out pullback all the way down, and then boom. And if they do it, and if they do, if not, are they listening? Uh-oh. Aussie. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I think they heard me. Uh-oh. I think they heard me. They got down to that 48.10. We got 1 minute on this one. It might be that next one. It might be the next one. I think it might be the next one coming. I think it might be the next one. So that next one need to go for a hard pull. A huge pullback. If they doing what I think they're going to do. Oh, this is crazy. Got about 40 seconds. 40 seconds. 40 seconds. 40 seconds. I want to see if they're going to actually do the trick that I'm thinking they're going to do. Let me see. Take a look at this real quick. Lows, bounces, boom, boom, boom. Yep, all right now, 46, 45. That'll be your next set of lows right about. And that'll put you down to that trend line. Right at that spot. See. Let me see if they're going to do it. I think I know what they're about to do. I think I know what they're about to do. So, watch, guys, within 20 minutes. Watch this. Let me see if they're going to do it. New candle. Here we go. All right, let's see. Let's see if they're going to do it. Not yet. Don't bounce yet. Not yet. Go back down. Flush it. Go for a hard flush. Hard flush. Do it. Hard flush on down. There you go. Thanks for listening. 48.10. Crack underneath 48 for me real quick. Come on, SPY. I know you want to. Do it. God damn it, I'm drinking so much water. Go to the restroom, Jim. I'll be right back, guys. Let me run to the restroom. Keep this on watch. Watch that 48.10. What we want to see is a strong pullback underneath like a fake out. Keep it on watch. I'll be right back. I just gotta run to the restroom. Like I said, I've been drinking a gang of water. Be right back. All right, guys, what we got? What we got? What we got? So we got about what, 18 minutes still? 18 minutes still. 18 minutes. 18 minutes. They gon' come on. 18 minutes. 18 minutes. 18 minutes, Queens. 18 minutes. 18 minutes. Come on, man. I know y'all want to do this. I know y'all do. Stop slowing down. Don't, yeah. Go ahead. Keep doing it. Keep doing it. Well, I got the right. Today's the 13th. Alright, we ain't got time for all this consolidation. Come on, finish this. Got time for the consolidation right now. Come on. Got time for this consolidation crap. What we got left? 17 minutes. I just want to see if they're gonna do it. If they're gonna go for that big drop. If they doing it, well, if they doing, I think they're gonna do. I mean, like, don't get me wrong. That 48.10 is it is a strong support line too. I mean, don't get it twisted. It is a strong support line too. But I was trying to see, can I get lower? I mean, like, even more. God dang it. What we got left? 2 minutes on this counter. So which one are y'all gonna actually? All right, what else we got? We got PLTR trying to bounce. I'm gonna call this out right now. Come on, man. Come on. All right, enough of the consolidation. Because I want to catch the, man, if I can do it, I want to catch, I mean, I want to do it in front of y'all. But I was trying to see if I can get it. But right now, 48 is still holding. Because if I can, like I said, if they can do a fake out, I'm going to catch the biggest area. I'm waiting on them to see if they're going to, I mean, they can still do it. I can still do it. Still got time to do it. And that's crazy. Perfectly on my line, too. Right there on my line. See, I'm expecting a, like, somewhere like right here, they're going to... Come on, guys. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Is this it? Is this going to be it? Is this going to be the one? Come on. Come on. Come on. Please don't tell me this is the one. Tell me this is the one. God, cause it looked like it want to do it. It looked like it want to just do that fake out pullback. It looked like it want to do it. Is this it? Come on. I dare you to do it. I dare triple double dog dare you to do it. I double dog dare you to do it. Is it it? Is this it? Come on. Could this be it? Could this be? Come on, man. The suspense is killing me. Come on, man. Come on. I know what y'all trying to do. What time it is? So almost up to 250. Come on, man. Could this be it? Come on, market. Prove me right. That's what y'all doing. That y'all about to create a big trail. I mean, it looked like it want to do it till all said and out here. It looked like it want to do it. I mean, I'm waiting. I'm just patiently waiting to see if they're going to do it. To see if I was right about them pulling to that trend line. Because I want to get it doing intraday. Because, like I said, they always have the best setup doing post-market and pre-market when we can't trade it. Like, at least get something, all right, come on. Because it looked like it want to go for it. Like, right underneath that 48. Three minutes. Y'all plotting. What are y'all doing? Come on. Don't go back up yet. Not yet. Give me that fake out. Come on. What we got left? 2 minutes. Dude, not yet. Don't buy back up. Not yet. Pull back. Don't buy back up yet. Not yet. I want some prices below that bad boy. Come on. If we can get this candle closed below real quick. Stay underneath. What we got left? It's got what, 2 more candles to go? 2 more candles? Alright, we got a minute. Come on. Not yet. Don't you dare do it. Don't do it yet. Don't reverse yet. God. Stay underneath. Don't go back up yet. Stay pulling back. Pull back. Not yet. It's not time yet. I'm trying to time it, guys. I'm trying to time this. I'm trying to do it. If they can... Come on. Don't flip yet. Not yet. It's not time yet. It's not... Don't do it. Don't... 15 seconds. Okay, cool. Still red. Still red. All right, cool. 3 seconds. All right, cool. Gap down. All right. Oh, you mother. All right, come on. Come on. I know you want to do it. Don't push yet. Don't do it yet. Fake out, man. Come on. Give us the fake out pullback. I know that's what y'all trying to do. Don't squeeze it yet. Don't do it yet. Fake it out. There we go. Come on. Pull it back. There you go. Come on, baby. Pull it. Fake them. Not yet. Give us that pullback. Man. Come on. Give us that fake out. I want to see that red can. I want to see that pullback real quick. Come on. Don't push them yet, man. But y'all see how the volume is starting to move in? Not yet. There we go. All right, fake them. Pull them back. Pull them back, man. I ain't got that much time, man. Don't mess with my plans, please. Please don't do it. Just give me a red candle pull. A strong pull. Please. Please, please, please. Please. I beg of y'all. Don't push it yet, please. Not yet. Come on, man. Because we only got, after this candle closes, we're only going to have 5 minutes. 5 minutes. See right here, we ain't pushing yet. Not yet, not yet, not yet. There we go. Hold them, hold them. I tried to do it, guys. I'm trying to do it. Hey, irking my nerves towards the end, man. The pressure is on. The pressure is on. But what I told you is going to find your way back to that 49.50. What I told you. 49.50, right? I don't want it to break yet. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. But I told you guys, that area like a magnet. I told you it's like a magnet. Why y'all gotta do this? Why y'all have to do this, man? What we got left? 3 minutes. Come on, man. I was trying to get the best positions. I was trying to get like underneath. I'm rocking it out with you guys to the end, man. I'm trying to see if we're gonna still get it. I'm trying to see if we're still get it. I'm just waiting on this fake out pullback. Come on. We got left 2 minutes left on this candle. Come on now. It's not time yet, man. It's not time for the breakout yet. Not yet. Don't do it. Come on. Don't break yet. Pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back. Man, can y'all give us a reversal, please, real quick? Thank you. Thank you. Jeez. Come on, I'll keep pulling back. I don't want to break out yet. Thank you. Somebody listening. Thank you. What we got left on this counter? 1 minute. Come on, man. Don't get too excited and do this too early. Don't do this too early. Keep pulling back, man. Don't let them break out yet. Not yet. It's too soon. I want to pull back underneath that 49.50 level, back down like with a harder pull underneath 48. There we go. It's like as soon as I said they listening. Come on, baby. Thank you. It's not time yet. Not yet. Keep pulling back. There we go. Give me that pull. This. All right, no, all right, come on. This should be the fake. Come on. This should be it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. Everything going according to plan so far. We should be getting that fake out right here. Come on, baby. Come on. They held underneath the that 49 just like I wanted it. Come on. This should be the area with a fake out. Fake out pullback. Everything else is going according to plan. Come on. Come on. What we got left? 5 minutes? Let's go, man. So far, it's doing what I wanted to do. Staying underneath that 49.54. So far, because I don't want to break it out yet. Now I want the pullback. Man, y'all about to... about to mess up my plate. About to mess up my plate. Come on, Spy. Come on, man. Don't do this. Not yet. Pull back, man. Pull back, pull back, pull back. Not yet. Man, can we get a simple quick flush, please? A fake out? Can we get a red candle? A red candle pullback real quick. It's like you want to. These buyers, you got some selfish ass buyers. God dang these. Alright, come on. Alright, there we go. There we go. Alright, there we go. Come on, man. Y'all stressing me out right now. I hate, I'm not gonna say I hate. Can't stand these newbie buyers because they don't understand the process of what I'm doing. I'm talking about the ones that just jumping in randomly without understanding it because they messing it up. It's freaking newbie buyers, man. They getting too excited, want to jump in. Like, just wait, bruh. Because I got to keep in mind, there's no rules to the margin. So people are just randomly jumping in without even doing the I was gonna say something negative, but I'm not trying to. I was gonna say I hope these shorts, I mean these buyers that's jumping in right now, I hope they get trapped right here and reversed on real quick. I hope they get reversed on. I hope they chasing these tops and they get reversed on real quick. All the ones that chasing these tops right now, I hope y'all get reversed on. I know it sounds bad, but I mean, when you're thinking about a bigger plan, you know, versus this little small area right here, like where you can make way more money. Two minutes, man. God dog. I can't stand these. Yeah, they messed up my plans. I mean, I can still see what's gonna happen after hours. I mean, I can still, because I think it don't stop till like 4:15. So if we could get like a reversal from right here where we at, do a red to green or red, and to get a dump back on down, I mean, I can go for that next pullback. So I'll put it to y'all like that. I'll go for the next pullback down. If we could do a green or red underneath that 49, back down this way. So I said I hope the loans that did jump in right here they get caught. Hope they get trapped right here at this time. Or they get trapped and then reversed on. I hope y'all get reversed on. Messing up my plans right now. Even though I do want to go long, but for the ones that jumping in too early, I hope they get reversed on. I know it sounds bad. I know it sounds bad, honestly. I know it sounds terrible. But I'm just saying, because 48 to 49, I mean, yeah, you making a little bit of money, but if you're thinking about the outlook of it, you can make way much more money. See? I hope y'all get caught right here. I hope you get trapped. I hope you get trapped before the bell ring. I hope you get trapped right here. You get reversed on. I hope you get trapped right here. Get trapped. Good for your greedy ass. Good. Get trapped. Nah. Get reversed. Ha ha. You would have listened the first time. You wouldn't have got trapped at the tops. That's what your ass get. Ha. Gas got reversed on. Just like I said. Hope you get reversed at the top right here. Ah ha 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 ha. Ha! Let's go. Get your ass reversed on real quick. That's what I'm talking about. So what happens when you chase, not thinking. Shoot. Bell about to ring. Bell by the ring. Ding, 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 ding. Alright, let's get that red candles. Pull back. Reversal. Just like I told him. Stop playing with me. Get your burst ass on. That's what you get. Burst mother. I'm sorry. That's my emotions. I'm sorry. It's my Tourette's. My trading Tourette's. I'm sorry. Trading Tourette's just gets me. So I told him not to chase the damn tops, not to rush. Oh, she stopped laughing at me. Stop. Stop laughing. I told him not to chase the tops. I said, it'd be 9 times out of 10 you get your ass reversed on. And what happened? Reverse. Come on, man. Give us this deep pullback, man. I'm still waiting on these pullbacks. I'm still waiting. I'm still right here, guys. I'm just still waiting. Because we got about 15 minutes, man. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Give us the rest of this pullback. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. That's what your ass get. Y'all got caught. Y'all got trapped at the tops. That's why I told you. I said, I hope y'all get reversed. Longs, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Y'all was pissing me off. I told y'all to let it pull back first. But no, y'all want to be greedy. Y'all want to chase to these tops where reversal was 9 times out of 10 coming. What happened? You got reversed on. Don't shoot the messenger. That's what you get. If I can at least get about 3 red candles back down, about before 4:15. I need some strong red candles though. I need some strong red candles real quick. Come on. Longs, I mean you'll get your money back anyway. I need some strong red candle pullbacks real quick. God sounds so horrible. They gonna make their money back, Austin. They gonna make their money back. They be alright. Shoot. Shouldn't have been chasing at the end of the damn bell anyway. Nobody told them to do that. That's why you gotta know how to time your entries. You gotta know when to get in it. So what I want to see, at least, come on, man. Y'all just give me some good pullbacks real quick, please. I want some more of these bottoms down here. Before it closes, give me some bottoms, please. Selfish bias, man. Let it go, man. Y'all already got trapped. Let it go. Let it drop. I told y'all what was gonna happen. Y'all didn't listen. Y'all had to pay the consequences. It ain't my fault. Cry to your mama. Anyway. Let's see. There we go. See? Let's you wait and be patient. Hard head ass, man. Don't listen. Oh, let me matter of fact, let me see. Can I get orders in after I was on this? Come on, man. I'm got like 12 minutes. Come on. Time is of the essence right now. Let's go. Pull back. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Keep pulling. Come on. We need a harder pull. Back down to the 48s. Come on. I swear if they halt, stop this. I mean, I ain't gonna lie. I'll I wanna just jump in just to have have an area, but I'm like, what about we go low? I can have even better. They put me in a tight position right now, and then I got to like 4:15. I got to 4:15. I'm trying, cause after this trap right here, I just want to now see, okay, can we pull back to the bottoms? Swear to God, I'm about to snakeskin Randy on this damn thing as well. I just want to see, can we pull back down to the 48s, man? I knew it was gonna be a problem, with that margin release, man. So many people jumping in just in random areas without thinking. That's why a majority of them got trapped right up here, not thinking. Come on, man. I got about 13 minutes. Let's go. 13 minutes. Come on. All right, this candle should be closing out. All right, new candle. All right, bam. Gap down. All right, come on. Keep going down. Give me another red candle. Back down there. Stop. Dog it. Stop pushing it. You selfish. Oh, just. Also get him, please. Also get him, please. There we go. Come on. I got that much time. Let's go. Second red candle. Let's go. Second red candle. Come on. Second red candle. Come on. Second red candle. Ain't got time. I got 10 minutes. Let's go. Second red candle. Let's go. Come on. Pull it. I don't have time right now. I'm in a very short window right now. I'm in a very short window. Stop holding it. Pull it. Oh, these. Thank you. Trap some more of these buys, please. Cause these buys are getting on my nerves. Trap some more of them, drop them, please. The smart buyers, please do me a favor. Trap the rest of them and drop them. I'm trying, Aussie. I'm trying, man. If I can get before 4 I'm trying. Oh, they're irking my nerves right now. If they would just let it go back down to smart areas. Because think about all the buyers that got caught up here. Upper shadow, upper shadow. Why would you buy up here? Make it make sense. Thank you. That's why you're getting shorted on now, you raggedy piece. Let me see. She over there laughing too. She over there having a ball while I'm stressing and shit. She over there laughing at me. That's why your ass got trapped up here. Not thinking. Alright, come on, man. Come on, man. I got 8 minutes. Come on. 8 minutes. 8 minutes. Shoot. Oh, Jesus. I'm trying, guys. Like I said, I'm waiting on them to pull back. They need to just shut all these buyers up here down and drop them. They just need to drop them. Need to drop them real quick. Now, will they do it before 4:15? I don't know. I don't know. We getting close, but I need like 2 red candles down because that's all really I had. Well, yeah, I got about 2 more candles to go, and that's it. That's all I'm gonna have. So this candle needs to be red in 2 minutes. I'm looking at my wrist like I got a damn watch. Man. All right, here we go. Come on, close red. Oh, these bars are getting on my nerves. I'm sweating on my nerves right now. Trap the rest of these buyers, please, and just get them out the way, please. Trap them and drop them. It's like they don't know how to, like, I can't stand these type of buys. They just jump in anywhere without thinking. I can't stand that crap, man. Just jump in any little section. Just to jump in on a buy. They messed up the plays, man. All right, drop the rest of them, please. Thank you. Drop them. Please drop them underneath 49 on down. Please, thank you. Oh, boy, these buyers. And she over here laughing at my pain and misery right now. She over here laughing. Let's see. Come on. Need this candle red. At least get, man. Shaking on my nerves, bro, because they not dropping it. They're not dropping this candle. Come on. This is, they hurt. Oh my God, they're doing this on purpose. I swear they're doing this on purpose. They doing this on purpose. Thank you. Come on, drop them, man. Come on. This is, oh my God. Stop laughing. I'm laughing at my pain and suffering. I'm gonna need therapy after this. I'm gonna be in that chest shaking. Spy. She is over there rolling. Thank you. Drop them, please. I got 5 minutes. Thank you. I love y'all. Thank y'all so much. I love y'all so much. Thank you for trapping these no good buyers. Thank you. I love y'all. Oh, you're freaking stressed and she laughing. Shit ain't even funny. This shit's stressful. Man. You over here laughing at my pain and misery. I mean, I might put in one just to, let me see. Will it even let me? Because I want it down to 60 cents, but man, it's like it's testing it like right by it. What we got left? All right, 4 minutes, 4 minutes. Come on, man. 4 minutes, 4 minutes. Oh, come on. Just pull it. Just pull it. I feel like Happy Gilmore when he was talking to that ball. You want to go to your home? Go to your home. You don't like your home? Shit. Shit. This is the home. Go home. You don't like your home? Go home. Y'all gonna stop laughing at it too. Y'all gonna stop making fun of me. Y'all gonna stop making fun. Oh, shit. Right here is just getting on my nerves. I don't know why they keep trying to buy. They keep getting stuck right there. Still ain't learning their lesson. Still ain't learning. Come on, man. I got 3 minutes. Come on. Just one more. 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 Just one more pull. One. I'll take that shit. I'll take it. One more pull. And I'll take it. Please. One more pull, I'm done. Because we got about 3 minutes to this candle close out. Just one more, man. I mean, the area, like I said. I swear, y'all better not drop this after 4:15. I swear, y'all piss me off. After y'all had me waiting, and y'all drop this after 4:15, I'm gonna be highly pissed off. I swear to goodness, I'm gonna be so pissed off. If y'all drop it to the area I was intending after 4:15, I swear to goodness, we're gonna have it out in the Walmart parking lot in the handicap section. I swear to goodness. No, that's what I'm talking about. Buying puts. Queen, I'm not buying these tops where you're getting rejected at. Why would I do that? Queen, think. You see what the majority of the buys got in at. No, I mean, I'm not going for puts. I'm going for buys. No, I'm not going for puts because that's it. Nadia, think about it. Tomorrow is CPI data. Think about it. CPI data, Queen, at 8:30. I know what the buys are doing. Trust me. They do this every single time. They drop it, and they hold a level. I'm not going in for puts because I'm telling you what they're doing. Queen, I promise you. I'm telling you what they're doing. Which is why I'm trying. Yeah, it's CPI. So, Queen, I'm telling you. They do this every time. The day before, they always drop the market down. And then they get into a level, they hold it. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. I mean, if the 48 holds, because you got to think about it. The 48 is going to be a strong, and, oh, man, we got a minute left. That 48 is going to be a very strong level. I'm going to tell you right now. If you go back to last Friday, that's when you had that strong bounce at. So, I mean, I could wait. I mean, all right. I'll wait it out. I'll wait it out for tomorrow. Because even if the CPI data, and you want to drop now, you doing this on purpose. I swear to God, you're doing this on purpose. Now they dropping it right before 30 seconds. Okay. If I don't catch this one, I'm going to wait for tomorrow. I'm going to see if we go dip below 48. But I'm anticipating a bounce. So, the only other next level I can think of, Nadia, is 46. 45, 46. So, let's just say this level, and I mean, it's too late anyway. It's about to be 4:15 anyway. So, I'm like, I can't get it. All right. So, from where we at right now, if it goes sideways tomorrow, and let's just say it is bad. Let's just say the news is, you do that after 4:15. Now you pull it. I told you also what they was gonna do after 4:15. It's gonna anyway, but I told you they're gonna do that after 4:15. I told you, but if everything goes according to plan, let's just say it's bad, and we pull underneath 48. Nadia, okay. I'll wait for a pullback down to like 45, 46. All right. And we so happen to go for a strong bounce back up above 46, back into where we at right now, the 48. I'm going to play the upside because I'm anticipating a pullback bounce. So, you see, Aussie? Also, you see this, right? After I can't trade. You see this, right? You see? Mother. Oh my God. Oh my God. You mother. Ah! Why would you do this after? I'm joking. I'm joking. You dirty M Alpha. Oh, you dirty. I don't want the puts. Queen, I don't want the puts. I'm telling you, I'm going for buys. I want the pullbacks. That's what I've been wanting. I want pullbacks. I want to trap shorts. That's what you're not understanding. I'm trapping shorts. I wanted this pullback, but I wanted it before 415. These. Nah. Let me see if it's going to let me. Would it even let me in? Oh, I can't. I can't even trade it, huh? See that? After 415, they pull this shit. Look at that. I tried to do it. Look at that. I tried to go in for order. Look at that. 415, you pull it. Oh, y'all some dirty MFers. Oh, y'all dirty. They did this. They did this after 4. Oh my God! Oh, they do this on purpose. They do this on purpose. Oh, you dirty M Alpha. Oh, you dirty. After 415, I told those buyers to not buy the tops. They were gonna get caught on a pullback. This is the pullback I wanted at 415, so I can hold it for because I was going in for a swing trade. I was gonna possibly do a swing trade, Nadia. That was game plan. But this is the drop I wanted before 415. Fake them out, push it right back up. I was gonna hold it. Now you see what I was trying to do? But they did. They waited till after 415 to drop it when the options closed. They did it on purpose. Y'all saw this. They did that on purpose. They purposely did this. They waited till after 415, drop it to where I wanted to go, back on top. Oh my, this is insane. That was the move I wanted right here. Was the fake out pullback. Oh my goodness. They did this after 415. They did that on purpose, dude. They did this on. All right. Okay. I see what time it is. They held this up like 4 o'clock, 4:10. Before 4:15, they stopped me. I can't trade no more. Then they drop it. Oh, that's cold-blooded. All right. I see what time it is. And look, they got the better entry. See? You can't make this up. You can't make this up. I see what time it is. I see what time it is. All right. That's cool. And look at that. Look, right back. Just what I wanted. Oh, boy, all right. That's cool. Oh, I can't believe they did this. They threw that right in my face. They threw that right in my face. Wow. Wow, they threw that in my face. But that's all good, guys. I might be heading on out. I will be getting getting ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow's Tuesday, right? Yeah, God, my days are being on. Yeah, guys, I'm going to be getting up for Take Profits Tuesdays. Congratulations to all my traders this morning who killed it this morning. Don't forget, guys, tomorrow is going to be CPI data at 8:30. I'm still tripping that they did this on purpose. The move that I wanted at 4:15, they did it after 4:15. Look at that. Fake out pullback, short trap, right back on top of 418. All right. I see what time it is. But yeah, guys. But yeah, so I will be looking to possibly. I'm gonna look for the long side tomorrow. I'm gonna just let you guys know tomorrow. If they can get this crack back underneath 48, I'm gonna look for some lower areas to see since they didn't play me today, I'm gonna see can they drop it even lower back down. They just messed my whole game plan up today. Look at this. They just messed my whole. Oh my God. This was the area what I was trying to set up for a swing trade on. This is exactly what I wanted right here. The pullback, fake out, and then right here. And they did it on purpose. That's crazy. That's crazy they did it on purpose. But yeah, guys, y'all stay. Well, like I said, Nadia, watch that 48. If we crack 48, we haven't hit the trend line. No, we haven't hit the trend line yet. We haven't hit the trend line yet. Your trend line is down towards 46 to 45.50. So possibly it may happen, and I'll show you before I do head on out. Possibly it may happen they played the crap out of me. They may do it during the after hours and pre-market. So watch this level down tomorrow. Like I said, after today, going into tomorrow. Watch this level here. This is the level that we need to hold. And we want to retract back up 48 for that nice red to green move, in other words. So, yeah, since they blocked me out on this one, I'm going to see if we're going to get a deeper drop. And I'm probably catch the deeper drop. And then, but yeah, they got me. They played me. So, I might be granted another opportunity tomorrow. So, we'll see. So, I'll be waiting for 8:30. I mean, CPI data to see where we go from here. That's cool. So, I will be looking for a long position. So, I'm just letting you guys know tomorrow. I'll be looking for a pullback bounce if we can get it and trap these shorts, bounce off that trend line back up. So, I am looking to go long on it. So, based off the RSI, we are more into the oversold side than the overbought side. So, that means that once that bounce happens, you'll have room to move up toward that the overbought area on the RSI. So, no, that's what I was doing, Queen. I was trying to go long, but I was trying to set up I was trying to put in a contract. I was trying to put in a contract right here, and they played me right at the end. They played the crap. Look, they played me. They dropped it, got it right back on top of 18. Cause that was gonna be one of my entries. That was gonna be one of my calls that I was gonna go in for. Cause I wanted to play off of this double bottom. They played me. They waited to do this right after 4:15 when options can't trade. When we can't trade, they did it on purpose. I'm gonna get their ass tomorrow though. That's what's up. I get them tomorrow. I get them back. Payback is a mofo. But yeah, guys, congratulations to everybody, man. I had a blast today. We're gonna be setting up for Tuesdays, guys. We still got a lot of room to go. So we're definitely gonna be seeing what type of effect that the market is gonna have after the CPI data comes out. And we'll go from there. But other than that, guys, you guys have a blessed night. Shout out to my queens, Alcy, Nadia, Jenna, all of my beautiful queens. Shout out to my fellas. Shout out to all of y'all. We're going to be gearing up for tomorrow. I will be doing a pre-market prep tomorrow. I will be putting it out. What's going to be the new prices on the long side, short side, and so forth. And we'll definitely go from there. But, guys, let's go ahead and wrap it on up. I'm out of here. Let me go ahead and put up my little box, my little chat box. Where's my thing so I can wish everybody well as I log on off. All right, your boy's about to be signing on off, guys. I will see y'all tomorrow to see what other trading opportunities ahead of us. Queen, I'm ready for tomorrow. Obviously, they owe me. I'm ready for tomorrow. I'm getting back. I'm getting my revenge back on that one, which just happened. Oh, I'm getting revenge. But yeah, guys, we're gonna be setting up and getting ready, man. But like I said, guys, get y'all some rest. Only data, major data is tomorrow. CPI data should be at 8:30. And we'll go from there. So you guys stay blessed, stay safe. I will see y'all tomorrow for Take Profits Tuesdays. Maximize your award, minimize your risk. Always put grateful over greed, and you will succeed every single time. Till then, stay blessed, stay safe. Yeah. Also, well, Nadia, with the Discord, I do have the pre-market prep. So I do put the pre-market prep in the LX Traders thing. So you do still have access to that. So peace, Aussie. So you still have access to the pre-market prep where you get all the information. So you at least got that still. I'm gonna see what I can do. I'm gonna try to talk to Hardware and them, cause I know I'm gonna try to get you into that community as the best that I can. But other than that, ladies and gentlemen, y'all stay blessed, y'all stay safe, and I will see y'all tomorrow for Take Profits Tuesdays. Love y'all. Peace.
Subscribe for more content.